Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor, here live up to 10 hours a day. We aim to be the most real, honest channel on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites, you name it, Rumble. We're live everywhere, but our home is here on Rumble and YouTube. Wonderful here to have you. Right, we had a guest from TikTok this morning come over. Here is Brent Jaggers. He was on TikTok, he was watching, and he said, I want to be in your free cash giveaway. Here he is. Let's welcome Brent Jaggers from TikTok, everybody. Brent, please put your city and country, like the glasses, by the way. I used to have a pair of those Oakleys. At least they look like Oakleys anyway. Let us know what city and country you're from, and I will put you in our free price draw. We got Jason Fallon from Australia. We got Mike is here. How are you, Mike? Pablo, good morning, everyone. I'm ready to watch Virgin Galactic fly. Let's look at Virgin Galactic right now. Let's go over to it. Let's have a quick look. Here's Virgin Galactic. Good morning. Mike says, Jason Fallon. We've got Zach Hink is here. Hi, Pablo. Good morning. Hi, Martin. Eric B. Hi, Mike, Zinc, Jason, and Pablo. Nice to meet you, Zinc. Jojo, is there anybody out there? I've come from TikTok. Ali Isles. Okay, I'm here, says Brent Jaggers. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. Octavio, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Let's have a look. Mike, Love Island starts in 2 weeks. Oh, my God. Hi, Brent, says Ali Isles. There we go. Dogs deserve the best. Hello. They do. All animals deserve the best, right? Florida, how are you, Stephen? James, morning from New Zealand. Morning from New Zealand. Good morning to you. Right, Virgin Galactic went down, and now it started again. Let's see if we're going to run all the way through. I'm out of my day trade position. I bought my long-term position. I'm holding it, and I took profits right about now last night, and we're hoping to get a dip. If it doesn't come, I've got my long-term position. Right then, we're waiting to hear from Brent to find out where he comes from, Brent Jaggers, and then we're going to put you in the free draw. Just let me know where you're from. Okay, this is our free draw. Every now and again, we like to give away free money. If you've just tuned in, wherever you are, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. It always helps. Mr. Mini-Me likes to invite you to smash the like button. If you're over there, of course, on Rumble this morning, then you click the follow button. Brilliant stuff. Okay, so we've got a question, and we got a request to be in my free draw. We give away money all the time. Why? It's a good way to promote the channel, and I like doing it. All right, so how do you win? This is how you can get free money. So I'm going to give you the link right now. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. All right, it's our secure website, https martynlucas.com/giveaway. And I will give you the link in the chat as well, so it makes it even easier for you. It's also below the videos in the description. And this is what you'll see. We give away $100 this time. We're giving away money all the time. The more I make, the more I give away. I enjoy doing it. This was sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Donated the money this time. Absolutely great. martynlucas.com/giveaway. And when you go to that page, this is what you see. This is what you see when you go there. This is the competition page. It's free to enter, free for all, $100 in cash paid out live on the show. All you got to do is get tickets, which are free. Just by visiting the website here, you earn tickets. Just by follow me on Twitter, you win tickets. I mean, the list goes on and on. You can win with just one ticket, or you can do as many as you like. It's up to you. All right, and it's always here. We do competitions on this page all the time. This is the one running right now. Let me refresh it and see if anyone has done their daily bonus. Every morning we give away more tickets. 5412. No one's claimed their bonuses this morning. Make sure that you do. All right. So there you go. That's how you can win if you want to win. So that's for you. I've given that to Brent, who asked for it, who came across from TikTok. I hope it was worth the while. See, you might win $100 now just for coming from TikTok. How nice is that? Brent is commenting to me on TikTok. That's why I couldn't see it. Louisville, Kentucky. Hoping stranger things. Hoping seems like everyone is coping. Hoping seems, I don't know what Stranger Things is saying. If you could rephrase that, I'll try and answer. Do you still hold IonQ? No, I sold it for a 25% profit. Remember, that's twice what you can earn on the S&P in a year. I think it's overbought right now. I'm waiting for a pullback, but I have to say it's it's absolutely phenomenal with how much it's gone up. I missed out, but I made a profit. It doesn't matter. I don't care what I didn't get. I only care what I did get. That's all that matters. It doesn't matter if you missed all the pumps and stuff. As long as you made money, who cares? All right? Because remember, when I took my money out of IonQ with the 25% profit I made, I bought something else. I bought lots of things, and all those things are making money as well. New York is sinking. New York is sinking. What does that mean? Anton Lindgren, do you still hold IonQ? We answered that. Florida here as well. Zach, good morning from New Zealand. Lovely stuff. All right. Now then, the overall portfolio is just down slightly. Are we turning bullish? There are signs everywhere which says we've entered a bull market. We shall see. Virgin Galactic was up, dipped back down, and it's come back up again. I'm waiting to re-enter. I'm up 22.65%. There's my long-term position. I'm not selling that until it trims at $30. All right? Doesn't even matter to me if it goes down again. That I'm holding. But on my Roth IRA, I want to get 20,000 back by the 25th, which is 2 days. I've made a few $100, nowhere near 20 grand. I've made a few $100 though. And that's all good. We're waiting for a rug pull. It often comes. Nothing goes straight up all the time. Now, if it doesn't, I'm not going to chase the stock. I don't want to own it here. I want to own it at 3 and 4 and even 2. It could happen. I don't want to own it here. This is too expensive. Doesn't matter how bullish you think it's going to be when it flies. It can go straight back down again. I don't want to be buying it like that. Mullen. Christine Cruz has liked my stream. Thank you, Christine. It's always nice when my YouTubers, Rumblers, TikTokers, LinkedIners, Facebookers like my Facebook stream as well. The home is YouTube. This is where everybody watches. But it's always nice when you like the streams on other platforms because it promotes what we're doing here on Rumble and YouTube. So thank you very much for doing that. Okay, gold. We're looking to buy some gold today. We've got plenty of money in my main account. Plenty of money, nearly $4,000. And right now, gold is on a discount. In my Roth IRA, that's where I am also looking to buy some as well. I'm only down 0.13 because I bought one yesterday. So I wanted to go down low before I load up. It's not cheap by any means. It's at nearly all-time highs. It's just tipped off the last couple of days. Tesla, I trimmed off the top, if you remember, at 189. So I don't mind buying some back. This is my position. I don't mind buying some back, but I'd like to buy around the 170 and below. Let's look. I'm up 102% with IonQ. Phenomenal. If you kept it, that is great. Nice one, Ali. Tyler Rowe, I'm buying Bitcoin. Price is going to hit 6 figures after the halving. I think it's going to 15 grand first. That's what I think. But we shall see. We've got lots of evidence and reasons to substantiate those claims. And it's slowly coming down. My average is 15,000. That's where I buy. So I'm up 50. I'm up 100% on it because I bought it at 15 grand. That's where I buy it. I don't buy it round here. I don't care where it's going. Anyway, Tilray up 0.4. We trimmed off the top yesterday. Robinhood. We also we didn't quite trim. We were waiting to. I've got a big position, 2 big positions I'm looking to trim when I can. SoFi, IonQ, we're looking for a pullback. It's got to come back at some point. J&J, I use the profits of Tesla and Virgin Galactic to buy J&J, Procter & Gamble, and so the list goes on. Let me open up my P&G as well. Let me open up my P&G, duplicate this, and I want to get PG tips. Procter & Gamble, right. In my Roth IRA, I'm down 1%. Okay, it's dropped this morning. Perfect. People are selling off the defensive to buy the high risk, which means I buy the defensive, because this is how you build a solid, stable portfolio. You buy the companies that are solid, that make money, and love it. Right, Lucid, Apple. Where do we see opportunities today? Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. McDonald's got a little bit cheaper yesterday, but still too expensive. Bitcoin has no intrinsic value, so making up numbers to buy besides for charts is pointless. I understand where you're coming from. Inbound, that's why it belongs as a 5% of our portfolio, no more. Okay, the S&P, Virgin Galactic, waiting for a dip. We're waiting at the minute. While waiting, we've got our finger on the trigger. Gold, we're looking to buy more. And what is my ETF as well? I've got an ETF here I want to look at. Let me go over to it now. This is my ETF for, let's have a look, what is it? Procter & Gamble, yeah, we're looking at that. Rum, no, it's too expensive. Oh, VDC. VDC. That's the one. VDC. Let me open that up. Consumer staples. As the bull market begins, staples get a little bit soft, so you can get them at a bit of a discount. As you can see, they've been coming down because people are selling out and buying more risky stocks, which is great for me because I start adding these. These are what hold the portfolio up and give you steady growth long term without any risk. Virtually no risk at all. I mean, everything comes with a risk, but anyway, let's have a look. I clicked on the crypto as well, followed on Twitter. Nothing happened. What do you mean nothing happened? Everything works fine. You should have tickets now. This is what happens. If this is the page. You went here, right? And if I click on one, let's say I go to I visit Sensei Crypto's website. Okay, I click on it. I click here. You've got to sign in. If you've not signed in, it doesn't know who you are, right? So there is there's the website, and continue, and now it gives me 50 tickets. There you go, because I did that. There you go, it works. I clicked on the crypto as well and followed you on Twitter. How you follow me on Twitter? You just follow on Twitter. Click follow. You got to connect though. You've got to be signed in with your Twitter account. If you're not signed in or whatever, it won't work. But yeah, it works fine. We've got lots of tickets done. 5412. I'm going to delete my tickets in a minute. Look, 5489. So there we are. There you go. And it will show that you've got tickets. Obviously, if you've not signed in, if you've not identified yourself, it won't know who you are and it can't give you the prize because it doesn't know who you are. Anyway, it does work. We've given away 5,000 tickets. I will delete my tickets later on, so they won't be there. I'll get rid of those. What someone's willing to pay is what informs price. Very good way of putting it, Tyler. Neither does the US, though. Yeah, the US has got loads of debt. It's not worth anything, really. So right since it stopped being backed by gold, correct me if I'm wrong. You're dead right. You're dead right. Money isn't actually worth anything. Stocks can have an intrinsic value based on cash assets or book value. Hi all, good, it says Hassan L. Purely a result of supply and demand. Pablo, good morning. Stupid question. They say that the space short percentage is around 23%. What does that actually mean? Is that good or bad for the stock? Well, there's a lot of negativity around Virgin Galactic and people are trying to short the stock. And what that does is if people start shorting the stock, it's under a lot of pressure for it to sell off and go down. However, if it starts going down, what can happen is a short squeeze because Well, rather, if it starts going up, there'll be a short squeeze because the people that shorted the stock will start being liquidated, and they have to decide, do they lose their money or do they buy in? And when you've got the bullish people buying in and the bearish buying in, the shorters, that's what's called a short squeeze, and all of a sudden the stock explodes. So when you get a lot of shorters piling into a stock, but the stock is still going up, it creates the opportunity for a short squeeze. And then suddenly the stock explodes. And then, of course, everyone gets a little bit excited. Sensei Crypto, did I miss the TikTok special? Yes, I was live for half an hour. I wonder where you was. And I was live for half an hour. I wonder when you were going to come in. Anyway, a hard asset like gold is all based on agreed upon subjective value. The industrial price for gold would be far below if we didn't use gold as money. Okay, fine. Gold and silver commodities play by that rule. Is that a 1,000-year track record as money? And that's awesome. Tyler Rowe, good conversation here. Bitcoin still has no intrinsic value, says Inbound XCX. All right. Okay. So then, Brent, it looks like you're getting on with my competition now. You seem to be claiming tickets all over the place. Pablo, welcome to you. May shoot up to overbought area, but a good opportunity to take some profits. Exactly. No worries, Sensei. How did you miss it? How could you possibly miss it? Anyway, we've got 45 minutes to go before the bell goes. This is my position today. The Roth IRA is down. We took profits yesterday. The overall portfolio is down. We took profits yesterday. I'm at $200 away from an all-time high. We hit an all-time high yesterday, so that's all good. Let's go through our positions. If you've just tuned in and you're interested in our giveaway, we are giving away $100 in cash. We are. We love doing it. All right. Do you want to win $100? Of course you do. Why wouldn't you want to win $100? There you go. If you want to win $100, it's martynlucas.com/giveaway. And we give away free tickets every day. Let me just make that. Oh, I can't. It's locked. So let me unlock that and make it slightly higher. So if I ever show it on this screen, it still works. See that? Look, I'm adjusting it. So if I ever show it on this screen, it still works. There you go. Slight adjustment there. Live TV can't do this. They probably go, well, no, you shouldn't, because we're live TV, we're quality, we don't do this sort of thing. We don't make adjustments during a live show. Anyway, martynlucas.com/giveaway. There you go. All right, the overall portfolio is down. We're looking for opportunities. We took our profits on Virgin Galactic yesterday. I'm holding my main position. There it is. I'm up 23%. And my Roth IRA, I took profits. Virgin Galactic down today. No, it's up today. It is up today. But no hard numbers like revenue, as you say, Robert. And a good conversation between Robert. In fact, Robert and Inbound, if you become members, I'm going to open up the Discord lounge. You two can discuss it live on air. I would love that conversation. The broadcast lounge on Discord is now open. If you want to call in, you can be on our live show. Here's our Discord link. Any of our members can call in, be live on the show, have a 3, 4, 5, 6-way conversation on video or just on audio. There's the Discord link. It's open. It's there. It's available to any one of our members. If you want to become a member of our channel and be a part of it, that way we can give you many, many perks and benefits. Here is the invitation to join. 95% of our live viewers are members, the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. We're very, very proud of that. All right, Virgin Galactic down today. No, it's not. It's up. So I took a profit. Mullen is moving up, even though it's down. I'm not buying any more of it. Gold, I bought some gold yesterday with my profits. It went down. VDC, I also bought 2 shares of VDC when it went down yesterday. Virgin Orbit, we're out of that. It's being delisted. Rivian, I haven't bought anything there for a while. Tesla, I sold 2 shares at 189 and now it's going down and I want to buy back. I can buy back at any point now. I can buy back now if I want to. But I'm going to leave it. I've got enough shares of Tesla. It's 25%. So really what I want to do is just buy it below 171. In a perfect world, anything below 171 will lower my average. But you can't always lower your average as things go up in time. You won't be able to lower your averages, but what you can do is trim off the top. Essentially, what I did yesterday, a week ago, I bought shares at 189, about a month ago, and then they came all the way down. I got shares under 170, so my average became 171. Okay, what I did yesterday, when it got to 189, I sold those shares for a wash, made no money on them. It's like going into a shop, buying a pair of jeans for $200, just make it simple, $200. Next week, they're on sale, right? And you buy them again. Next week, they're on sale for $100. And what you do, you come back the following week and you go, can I bring back the pair I paid $200 for? And they go, yeah, there you go. So they gave you the money back that you paid for them. You made no profit on it, but you gave the pair that you paid $200 back, got your money back, and you kept the pair that you paid $100 for. That's essentially what I did by doing that. It's a very sensible way of lowering your averages, protecting your portfolio, trimming off the top, managing your risk. That's why I did it. Anyway, let's go. Virgin Galactic is now broken through $5. Significantly, that's psychologically very, very important. It'll make people feel that, hang on a minute, are we going back to $10? That's what it'll do. So that's great. That's absolutely great. But I am taking profits. People will dump it, I'm sure. I took my profits yesterday. I always take my profits before everybody else. I don't try and time the market because I'm not interested in timing the market. I'll just do twice as many trades and make my money that way. I'm not trying to beat everyone. I just want to make consistent profits. And then the great thing about it is when you see high risk pumping, then staples get dumped, which is what happened yesterday to VDC, which is what happened to Procter & Gamble and all these things. It's what happens. See it going down? These are companies that are solid, pay dividends, make money. They get sold because they become sources of funds for the high-risk stocks. So I take profit before everybody else starts selling because they will eventually start selling. I mean, why wouldn't you, right? And then these stocks are all going down. So I took my profits. So I gained by making a profit, and then I bought the stocks that are going down with my money. So I make it twice, right? Agreed. I'm working at the moment, so can't, unfortunately. Oh, fair enough. The broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. Would you recommend buying more Virgin Galactic? Well, that I can't recommend anything. Depends on your situation. Depends on your averages, depends on your overall position. I don't know your overall position. If you want to call in and discuss it with me in detail, I'm happy to go through and review your financial situation in detail. You need to be a member though. There is invitation to join, and I will spend time talking to you directly, asking you questions. And it's like the Dave Ramsey show. You can call in either on video or on phone call, and I will gladly answer any questions you want. Finally popped $5, says Pablo. Yep. And it bounced right back off it though. Mullen slowly going up. Once Mullen can break even, if it can break even, I will get out of it. And I'll just get, even if it's just a wash, I don't really care. Tesla. Right? I sold it at 189. Now we're looking to buy back. I don't mind adding to my position. I think Tesla is very strong. Every time I can make a profit and buy it back lower, I will. But that's not low enough for me to make a real dent in my portfolio, as I want to keep money for a drop in Virgin Galactic today, which may or may not come. And if it doesn't matter. What it will present me is it will present me opportunities to buy the staples. Because if Virgin Galactic soars today, and I'm not in it from a day trading position, I'm already in it for my long term. If it soars, as it soars, everybody will be all excited, focusing on Tesla, Virgin Galactic, and all the risky stocks, right? And they'll start dropping these, and I'll be there sitting picking them all up. It's why I bought J&J yesterday. Lower my averages all the time in the best companies that you can own. If you want a stable portfolio for the future, if you're just trying to make money today and you're not sure what's going to happen tomorrow, then fine, play the risky stocks. But I'm not really interested in that. Sorry about the lens flare. I apologize for that. We had a screen there not loaded. There we go. That's better. Bitcoin down again today. Keeps going down. It's going to go down to 15,000 in my opinion. Tilray. We took profits at Tilray. That's going back down again. And when it does, I'll buy back a little bit just to lower the average. That's all. The average is 250. So we want to buy it below 250. We took profits on it. And Robinhood, it's a 4x in 18 months. I like this one. I've got a very big position on this one. I've got 3.5%, but nearly 4% in my main account and 17% in my Roth IRA. So that's looking good as well. When that goes to 930, I'm trimming off the top. That's how I'm playing that. IonQ, we're waiting for it to come back. It's massively overbought. Anyway, there we go. Back to Virgin Galactic. That's the story of the day, and that's what we're focusing on right now. Let's see how far off we are now. I've never been in the green on my Roth IRA because of the money I lost on Virgin Orbit and buying and Tesla. Then it all fell down. So I'm down $96 overall on my Roth IRA. I'm hoping today, with a few smart trades, I can finally turn my Roth IRA green. Just 0.67 out of the money. And I've got $1,200 to spend on something that can pop me up 0.67, and I can finally turn it green. I would be up somewhere in the region of 10% if I hadn't lost on Virgin Orbit. That was the days when I didn't take profits. Well, now I do. If it wasn't for that, I'd be up 10% right now. And considering I only started in December, that would be a market beater. However, you live and learn. But I'm hoping today to turn that around, because we're up on the week, the month, the 3 months, but and the year to date, we're just out of the money by $30. Hoping today we can make some money. So if we can get Virgin Galactic to go down again, it might not do it. It's going over $5 again. Let's see where it goes. Keeps bouncing off it though. It's very, very weak. Very, very weak. We got half an hour to go. It's very weak. If this was the stock everybody believes it to be, it should be $7-8 already by now. The flights are 2 days away. Looking back in history on the stock, looking at other stocks with such big news, it should be up, way up than this. I'm worried, and everybody else is worried about dilution, that the company are waiting to drop it. They're waiting to dump it. So I'm not buying it now. There's absolutely no way at all I'm buying it at $5. That would be absolutely bonkers. The only way, if it shows huge volume, you can play this, is you can buy in at any price and set a stop trail loss immediately for like 5 cents loss, something like that. And then the moment it goes up 10 cents, cancel that, make it a 10 cents loss, and then you can play it. But you've got to be very, very quick. But you also have to know that in a very high volatile, fast moving market, which it will be once it starts to get near the flight on Thursday, when that happens, a stop trail loss may not execute. It may drop so quickly that it doesn't actually pay off. That's why some brokerages offer an insurance for your stop trail loss. Don't think it's 100% guaranteed. It's never failed me yet, but it can fail you. So it's just worth knowing if you're taking huge risks, if you're doing margin or you're thinking, right, you never buy a pump. However, this is going to keep running. I might as well jump on the train and set a stop trail loss. Stop trail loss only work in main hours. They don't work in pre-market or aftermarket. That's the first thing. And second thing is if they drop really quickly, if suddenly someone dumps millions of shares, which is highly likely, then your order may not execute and you'll be out of the money and think, oh my God, I've lost money on Virgin Galactic again. Might be a buy, the rumor, sell the news. Exactly. It's one of those situations. It's very weak right now. A lot of people waiting to dump it, including insiders, I believe. I think it could go to $2 before it flies and then go up again. I honestly believe that. That's the impression I get. And I'm in contact with them all the time. Would you recommend buying more Virgin Galactic? Like I say, if you called in, I could discuss it with you, but I can't make any kind of decision from just one question like that. Down 0.16, Virgin Orbit. The broadcast lounge is open for members to call in. We've got half an hour to go. Let's go into our breakfast bar. This is the breakfast bar every morning on Discord. If you are a member, you can take part in our Discord. Here is the invitation to become a member. And here is our Discord link as well. If you want to talk to the team, talk to our traders, investors, make friends, learn what we're doing before we do it, and all the rest of it, there it is. If you want to join me, we're running a poll this morning on Twitter. It's Martyn Investor. Let me give you the link. We've got a couple of polls running on Mullen and Virgin Galactic, where you see that going. There is my Twitter poll there. Do you want to join me? Okay, now let's go into the breakfast bar and let's see what's going on. This is where our investors and traders come in the morning and say hello and be very friendly. Virgin Galactic, Taco Tuesday. Eric B, lovely. Look at this, Taco Tuesday. Very nice. Let me give that a nice... whoops, where's my little thing gone? Where's my little thing? There we go. There we go. Thank you for that. Cherry, good morning, but I don't eat breakfast. I get some of my Roth IRA funds transferred to Robinhood this morning. Great. I got some of my Roth IRA funds transferred to Robinhood this morning. You just missed the cutoff point. I think it was April to get the extra match, but very well done indeed. Now you can trade for free using your Roth, not paying any taxes. Congratulations to you. Very, very wise decision, in my opinion. What's the best stock to do trading right now for a newbie like me? Well, just keep watching. I'm trading my stocks live in front of you. And I wish you the very best. Let me give you a thumbs up, Cherry. Let me just do that for you. Love it. Good morning, everyone. Stephen Lewandowski and Mike. Look at Mike with his mug watching me on the telly. There we go. Love it. What we got here? Zach. Zach's driving. Where are you driving? That looks like that's Florida, isn't it? I can tell by the palm trees. Is that Florida? It is Florida, isn't it? I think you said. Don't use the @everyone. It won't work anyway. It's only for me as an administrator. Don't use the @everyone, Zach. It doesn't work for you anyway because you're not a moderator. You're not an owner like me. But if you do it, people think it's scammy because imagine if everyone did everyone's, everyone would get messages about everyone. Don't ever use the @everyone. Okay, it doesn't work. However, it doesn't. It's bad etiquette. All right. To just let you know, it's not the best thing to do to use the @everyone. The only person who does that is me. Hey, breakfasters. There we go. I think I covered all the messages there this morning. I like that. He's driving to Florida. I recognize the palm trees. Very nice. There you go. All right, here we go. Back to Virgin Galactic. 503. Might be the rumor. Yes. 515100. I like your content, but I think you have Virgin wrong this time. I will buy all the way to $10. We shall see. Good luck to you. I wish you the very best. Don't forget, I've got my long-term position. People keep going, I thought you were bullish on it. Well, I am. I've got It's 4.5% of my portfolio. I mean, it's not nothing, is it? All right, I'm just making profits along the way. This to me isn't the big deal. The big deal is coming in later in the year. My platform, Trading 2-on-2, cannot do stop trail loss unless you use CFD with leverage. Plus, it would be an after hours or pre-market dump on Thursday, Friday. Will be risky to still be in at the close on Thursday. I agree. Same here, Jojo. Sorry, it won't happen again. No, don't apologize. Don't apologize. You thought you were doing a cool thing. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just letting you know. It doesn't work anyway. Nobody was notified. You didn't upset anyone. It doesn't work for anyone. It only works for me. Anyway. It won't happen again. It's perfectly fine. Right. Now then, as high-risk stocks go up, we'll see, there we go, we will see staples go down. And I took profits yesterday, and that's exactly what we're doing. So we took money, profits. Now we can start buying back some more Tesla. We sold at 189. Sorry for missing TikTok. How was it? It was pretty good. We had a guy called Brent come over and join our competition, and he went on your website. So there you go. It was successful from the point of view of a guy called Brent. I don't know if he's still here. Let me have a little look. Let me see if Brent is still here. Yeah, Brent Jaggers. Here he is. Brent Jaggers in the chat. He came over from TikTok and he entered the competition. He went on and he liked your video, he liked your website and all the rest of it. So there you go. And he's now in the competition. Right, 186. We like to see Tesla going down now. That's what we want. We took profits yesterday. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. Robert does tutorials. My average is over 1091, so I'm happy picking up any price below there. No, that makes sense. I totally get it. Welcome, Brent. There you go. Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble. I love it. All the staples are being sold off, and I'm picking them up cheaper. Thank you very much. Remember, always be ahead of the game. Sell before everybody else does. Buy before everybody else does. Buy when everyone's selling. Selling when everyone's buying. Always be ahead. It's like a chess game. There goes Bitcoin, getting lower every day. 27 now. It's going to 15,000. Tilray, I trimmed off the top. Robinhood, that'll go up. People think the bull market started, as I do. IonQ, so expensive right now. Would be lower, but spent most of my money over the last year building my Tesla position when that had come down. Good for you, especially with space holding a lot more risky than Tesla. Oh, way more. Of course it is. Of course, space is more risky than Tesla. This is the whole point. It's not about is space or any other stock a good investment. The question is it the best investment? Can I make more money somewhere else with less risk, less drama, less stress, less expense? Well, there are other things you can do. And it's why I took profits at Virgin Galactic, and it's why I bought Tesla. It's why I bought my staples. There's a reason for that. Always have 4 or 5 moves ahead. If you're just reacting all the time, I've got a message here. From Lobster. Lobster, that must be, I think that's Zach, isn't it? Because he's called Lobster in my private messages. Yes, that's Zach. Yes, I thought so. Anyway, let's see if anyone's entered our competition this morning. We're running a cash giveaway. I'm going to delete my entries in a minute. I did it to demonstrate to Brent it works. 5540 5541. Someone has just claimed their daily bonus. That's what's happened there. Right, let's see how many people are watching us. 31 watching us on YouTube with 18 likes. Please smash the like button. It makes all the difference. Mr. Mini-Me will invite you now. There you go. Makes all the difference. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Brilliant. Thank you very much. We've got 30 watching with 18 likes. Let's see how that compares to Rumble right now with 20 minutes to go. 14 watching now. We're growing very quickly on Rumble. 148 followers now. Hey, look at all the crowd here. We got Midnight Stephen. We got Malk UK. I hope you're all keeping a separate tab open. I hope you're doing it right. 149 followers. Brilliant. We're growing very, very quickly on Rumble. Very, very nice indeed. Now then, let me show you the poll. We're running a poll on my Twitter this morning. Thank you for the follow. I just got a follow from somebody who's just won a free ticket, I think. Brent Jaggers. There you go. Look, Brent Jaggers. This is Brent. Look, he followed me on Twitter. He reposted, and now he's got more chances to win that cash prize. Well done to you, Brent. Excellent stuff. Right, we're running a poll on Twitter. Let me have a look. There's our live stream on Twitter right now. See, we're live on there all the time. Where is our poll? Let me just scroll down, and I'd like your thoughts on this. There we go. Where is it? Space. Here we go. Here's my poll. Very important poll, this one. Virgin Galactic. I put a video out this morning explaining how I'm taking profits off the top. And I asked the question, is Virgin Galactic about to take off or flop? A lot will be decided this week. We are 72% saying take off. 27%, that's very concerning, that nearly 30% of people think it's going to flop. So be very, very careful. Don't just think it's always going one way. Copy link. I'm going to give the opportunity here to vote on my poll. And leave me your thoughts why. There is the poll. I'm going to give it to everybody in Rumble as well. I can't give it to anyone on TikTok. You need to be on YouTube. Number one fan just got the number one gifter badge. Hey, cheers. Thank you very much indeed. If you become a subscriber, see the little star? I will tag you in my viral posts. I will introduce your channel to my 33,000 followers. That's why people subscribe to me, because I help promote their channels. Anyway, let me give it to Rumble. There is the Twitter poll. Back to the Twitter poll. We've now got 18 votes. If you retweet this and share this, you can promote Virgin Galactic. But 72% are now saying it's going to take off. Well, let's go back to the stock and have a look at it. We're at 503 right now. I think it's weak. I honestly believe it's weak. Now, you might say, it's up 25% in a week. What are you talking about? Yeah, but it's down like 80%. That's nothing. It's nothing. It flies in 2 days. I'm holding it, but I'm also taking profits on it. That's all I'm saying. Especially with space being a lot more risky. Yes, indeed. I'm just reading Robert's post there. Right, we're looking for opportunities. We've got 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. The overall markets are going down. It's 8:13 in the morning here, Central Time. 1 million views in 69 days. Hopefully we'll be there. 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're gaining speed, though. We've got 18 votes now. 18 votes here, look, taking part. I've given you the link to the Twitter poll. It's Martyn Investor if you want to vote. Martyn Investor on Twitter if you want to vote in this poll. Okay. Virgin Galactic. It's up 504 now. Let's look at the volume. The volume is what tells you the story, or part of the story anyway. Let's have a look. 505. It's going straight up, dragging a lot of attention now. Average volume, 11.45 million, and we've had 500,000 this morning. Well, it is pre-market. Some people can't trade pre-market. It's a bit low, though. Careful. Set a stop trail order. I know you can't do it right now, but set a stop trail order. I am waiting for my next day trade position. James, if you like Virgin Galactic, have you looked at Rocket Labs that's acquiring companies to become vertically integrated and has got contracts with NASA among... I have, and I've got I think I've got some shares in Rocket Labs, not much, but no, I haven't, to be honest with you, for no reason other than you can't focus on 100 different things. If you want to know all about the stock, I've got like 50 stocks in my portfolio, and that is enough. I can't understand 100. I have to be focused on the ones that I'm involved with. I'm sure Rocket Labs could be interesting, but I'm in Virgin Galactic not for the rockets. I'm in it for the experiences and the hotels. That's why I'm in Virgin Galactic, and the technology it possesses as well. Anyway, 506. This is nice for my long-term position. It's very good. I'm up $338. Very nice. I've got 336 shares. Not a huge amount, but relevant to me for right now. Virgin Galactic. Mullen is starting to come up. Gold is bouncing back. We can always trim our gold. Always a source of funds. There we go. It dropped and we bought it on the dip. What you want to be careful of, if you start seeing, and I like seeing Tesla going back down again, because I sold at 189. If you start seeing the staples going back up, be careful. It means people are being more defensive. Procter & Gamble, right now you're getting discounts. J&J, getting discounts, down 1.8 overall. Google, Microsoft, Walmart. Good morning, traders. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase, Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the poll right now. 22 votes. 22 votes now, and 77% say it's going to take off. 22% say it's going to be a big flop. Now, we're going to be here, of course, on the 25th. We're going to be doing a special Virgin Galactic Day. Oh, yeah. You wait and see what I'm going to do on the 25th. You're not going to believe it. Thank you very much, Leah, for that lovely cup of coffee. How are you this morning? Are you well? The world says hello to you, Leah. There we go. The lovely Leah is here, bringing in my lovely cup of coffee. Howdy, Ed. Good morning, Malk. Right. Is our Virgin Galactic special. We're going to be here an all-day special. If you want to be part of that and you want to be the first to be involved in this, there it is. You can click like. People have already liked it. That's nice. Let me give you the link to it. It's an all-day special. There's going to be nothing like it. I've got lots planned for it. Market will flip to green. Let's have a quick look. Let's go back a minute. Let's go back to the main account. Here we go. Overall, Virgin Galactic. It's going up now, 506. No FOMO here. The big pro with space, in my opinion, is twofold. Its closest competitor, Blue Origin, is much more expensive per flight. There is no competition at all. And it took space years to develop their tech, so a good moat. Indeed, you are right, but the moat is running out. They've only got a year left. Thanks, Leah, says Jason Fallon. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. Brilliant. The overall portfolio is down. The S&P is going down. Virgin Galactic is going up. What are you doing about it? My long-term position, I'm enjoying it going up. Won't trim until it gets to 30, which would be absolutely brilliant if it did, wouldn't it? Imagine if it went to 30. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Is it flight definitely happening on Thursday? No. The flight is not definitely happening on Thursday. On the 25th, the window opens. If the weather is good on the 25th and there's no technical glitches, it will fly on the 25th. But if there's any technical glitches or any weather conditions, no, it will not fly on the 25th. The 25th is all it is the window opens. Buying some HKD today. Good luck to you, Shan L. No word of delay so far. No, nothing yet. Is the flight definitely happening on Thursday? No. I've answered that one. Tesla 186. Lucid going back down again. I did a video on Lucid this morning explaining why it would. We're already over $5 and the big money has yet to come in. Correct? Correct. I'm the big money. What are you on about? What are you on about? I'm the big money. The market is red right now. The overall market, we are red. We are on a red day, and yet Virgin Galactic is up. That's a good sign. 506 looks very good for Virgin Galactic. 506. Who's buying it now? This is where FOMO starts. How many of you have FOMO? We're running a poll on Twitter right now, and we want to see, and we're also giving away tickets. If you follow me on Twitter, you can win $100 in cash just by retweeting this post, just by follow me on Twitter. We're giving away $100. Look, here it is, martynlucas.com/giveaway. You can win $100 by taking part in my Twitter, retweeting, voting on this. Follow me on Twitter. We're giving away money. We want to give away money. We like doing it. 25 votes. There we go. martynlucas.com/giveaway. Don't miss your opportunity to get free money. I like doing it, all right? I don't do it every day. I do it most days, though. Anyway, defensives are still hovering. Virgin Galactic 505. We've got 9 minutes to go before the bell goes. What do you think of space? Is it all going to happen on Thursday? Are we going to get the flight on Thursday? Is this going to be the sight we see on Thursday? Is it going to make a difference? What do you think? Are you joining me on Thursday for a special? You don't want to miss it, do you? Right, the overall markets are still coming down. We've had a massive pump recently. I've taken profits. Have you taken profits? Virgin Galactic, 505. Mullen is going back up. Gold. Defensives. Rivian. Tesla. This is perfect. We sold right at the top yesterday, and we bought, and now we got the opportunity. Basically, what I said, it's like buying a pair of shoes or whatever at the shop, taking them back, and then buying them back next week for half price. That's basically what we did. We took back the expensive stocks and we bought back the cheaper ones. We sold at 189. We bought at 189, sold back at 189 for a wash. But on the way down, we started collecting more. So we took the 189 ones back to the Tesla shop, gave them back, got our money back. And that's why we've got plenty of money in our buying power. We've got $1,200 in the buying power, and we've got nearly $4,000 in the main account. So we've got 5.2, plenty of money, and everything's on. Most of my stocks are in profit. I can sell all of Tesla if I want to and take $267, but I'm not doing that. Right, back to space. 503, trimming off. People will sell it. Don't think it's just going to go straight. Along the journey, people will dump it. What you don't want is one of the big cheeses to dump it all in 5 minutes. And that's what I think is going to happen. That's why I'm selling along the way. I don't mind now. I have no bother if Virgin Galactic goes back down to 405. I don't care if that gets wiped out. I don't care. Because I know it's going up in the future. But if it goes back down to 405 or something silly like that, I will buy it straight back with my 1200, with my 442 that I've got. Anyway. The staples. I bought more staples yesterday. Rivian. Tesla. Tesla's giving up now. This is great. Cheaper it goes, the more I'll buy back. I love it. I'd like to get Tesla back under 170 and bring that average down, but it doesn't matter if I don't. We're already over $5 and the big money has yet to come in. Looks very good for Virgin Galactic. Yet no word of delays yet. 503. If we get delays, of course, it will go back down again very quickly. Only because people know it will go back up again on the flight day. Five minutes to go. We've got a sponsor today for our bell. The Martyn Lucas Exchange, Dallas Exchange, Stock Exchange bell is being rung today by Sensei Crypto. In 5 minutes from now, let's bring up the clock. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. 5 minutes to go. 25 votes now on our poll. Have you voted on our poll yet? If you've not voted on it, let me give you the link for it. There you go. I'll give it to everybody here on YouTube and on Rumble. Give it you twice so you can see it in the chat. Take part in it. Take part. Welcome everybody on Rumble. We've got 149 followers now. How are we doing on Rumble now? Have we made the homepage again today? Let's have a look. Oh, stocks. Matt Kors has been featured today. There you go. An investor channel as featured as the biggest video on the channel, on the platform. Let me see how I'm doing. I am here. Oh, I'm ahead of him on the finance section. That's interesting. And he is featured. You never know. I might get my chance as the If anyone sees me featured, let me know, because that's the biggest thing that can happen. I'm very excited if that happens. I'm growing very quickly on Rumble. Anyway, here we go. Stocks are going down. Good luck, everyone. Get them. 4 minutes to go. Did you contact Virgin Galactic Corporate Communications Department about playing the unofficial launch song? I have sent information to them and I've had no contact. I can't believe there's not more promotion to stir up hype. Exactly. It's not what it used to be. It's not the days of Richard Branson we've had in the past. I do more promotion than Virgin Galactic do. This is why it's weak. Look at it being sold off now. It went over 5 and got dumped. It's got, just saying. I'm just trying to be honest. I'm not the Wolf of Dubai who keeps saying, oh, I'll buy it with all my money. And yet you never see how much money he actually does that with. We don't know. It could be living in his mum's back bedroom with no money. It's all a load of rubbish. You know how much money I've got. You can see my real shares. I could come on here every day and and tell you to go all in on Virgin Galactic and God knows what else. Just make up stories. Anyone can do that. However, I share with you my bank account, my real balance, my money, and I'm live every day. You can see it. You can hear what I said yesterday and verify it and check me, and it goes on and on and on. Anyway, 3 minutes to go. Here we go. 5:01. 2 minutes to go. Mullen. Where's he going to go now? Gold is going up. When you start seeing gold going up, you know the risk is back. Tesla, the risk is risky stocks are waning, and I'm doubling up. I took profits, and I'm buying the defensives. Always have a good defense. Always have companies underpinning your portfolio that actually make money. I mean, it's kind of obvious, isn't it? When you think about it, when you sort of say it, you go, well, yeah, isn't investing supposed to be building a moat, building foundations, or is it just buying wobbly, risky stuff on the sand? And it's kind of obvious, isn't it? But it's not to everybody. Bitcoin still going down. Here we go. Here we go. $5. Oh, it's selling quickly. Did you take some money out of it this morning? I hope you did. Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll. Just a few moments to go now. And Sensei Crypto is ringing the bell this morning. The markets are red. Virgin Galactic has now gone through 4.99. Is this a temporary drop and it will bounce on the bell? What do you think? I don't know. I've got no idea. All I know is I've taken my profits. I'm in, I'm up, and I'm not buying it here. That's all I know. What are people going to do? 2 days before showtime. And that doesn't mean it's going to be the showtime. It just means that's when the window opens. Virgin Galactic 4.99. Average is 4.05. 4.51 on my Roth. 20 seconds to go. All right, just a few more seconds to go, and we shall see where we go this morning. The bell today is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. The studio is definitely red. It's $4.99 today, and we are 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. The bell is now gone. And the markets are coming up. Sensei Crypto, thank you for supporting our channel. The links are all below. Virgin Galactic is being dropped at the moment, down to $4.96. Down she goes. $4.99. She's coming straight back up again, though. It was a quick bounce. Where's it going to go? The markets are turning red very, very quickly. The overall markets are going down quick. We want to find some discounts right now. We're down 0.42. Virgin, the S&P is going down. Still up. Too high to buy more. Virgin Galactic has bounced straight back. It got sold off and came straight back. 502. Where is it going? Mullen is up all the way back down again. Rubbish. Gold is returning. I bought more gold yesterday. That tells you where the markets might go today. We're down slightly. Rivian is down but coming up. Tesla is now coming back up again. Lucid is going down. Apple is going down. Amazon is going down. McDonald's is coming back up. Coca-Cola is going down. Staples are going down. Risky stocks are going down. Procter & Gamble now. Opportunity here to buy the dips on the defensive. 1.5% down. Johnson & Johnson down 1.92 overall. Google going down. Microsoft going down. Walmart. Discounts now for Walmart. Want to buy back in with this one when we can. It's now down nearly 1%. I can start buying some more very, very soon. Very nice indeed. Tesco, Next Era Energy, back to Virgin Galactic. It's gone now 507, shooting up on space. Here we go, 507. The markets are starting to turn now. Starting to turn 508. I'm not buying it. I'm already in. I'm holding my position. I don't want to own it at 507. That would be absolutely mental. I could have bought it at 3, which I did. Let's have a look at it. How's the poll turning on Twitter? The poll now got 28 votes, 2 retweets. 82% are saying it's going to take off. Big flop. There we go. Is just 17% now. If you want to vote on this and then retweet it, share. If you want your stocks to go up, share the positivity with everyone that you know. You'll also win free money by sharing and retweeting my posts because it's part of my giveaway. There you go. There it is. Share it. Vote on it. 511 now. Here she goes. We're up $350. 355. Walmart is closing lots of stores, not touching the stock. There we go. Shan LY. Good afternoon, all. The overall portfolio is still red. We're down $99 at the moment, but we're starting to come up. The S&P is down. Virgin Galactic 507. Are you buying it now? Mullen. Gold. Are you already in? SB. DR Gold Trust is going up. Staples are solid. Down today. I'm down 1%. I'm not buying any more yet. Rivian is going up. Tesla. I sold at 189 and I'm buying back. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Not cheap enough yet. Coca-Cola going down. Procter & Gamble down another percent today, down 1.65. J&J. Google. Google is starting to come back up again. Microsoft. Walmart. Look at Microsoft up now, 0.25. Walmart is going down. It's overpriced right now, but if you can get it another 10% discount, you'll do okay. The overall portfolio is still red, but trying to come up. Back to Virgin Galactic. We're now at 506. It's being traded. It's not solid. It's not one-way street. It's not pumping or anything like that. It's very weak. Added 300 space, hoping for scalp. I wish you the best for it. What did I tell you by Thursday? $7 Virgin Galactic. Well, we shall see. Good afternoon all, says Crag. Very exciting over on TikTok. This guy is wasted enough of my time. I love all the haters. I used to get really upset about it. Now I think, why on earth do you spend the time watching just to moan and then go, this guy's an idiot. This guy's an idiot. I've wasted so much time watching you. I can't, it just makes me laugh. Why did you spend so much time watching it? If you don't like it, watch something else. That's like people who sit through the news and go, When's the film going to start? I don't like the news. I'm sitting here watching the news and I don't like the news, but I'm going to sit here and moan about it. While you're watching me, I'm making money out of you, so I don't care. Carry on. Anyway, thanks everyone who followed. This guy's wasted enough of my time. I love it. Absolutely love it. Someone said to me the other day, I had a great comment, one of the best ones ever. Someone said to me, a comment on YouTube yesterday was, I don't know why I watch you every day. You drive me mad. Is there something wrong with you? Have you got bipolar? Whatever that means. Oh dear, oh dear. Virgin Galactic, very, very weak. You can see it being pumped up and being dumped back down now. This means that Crag, it will probably go to $4 now. I won't buy it at this range. I won't buy it at this range because I know the insiders will dump it to 2. That's what I believe. And I also believe that we could have a delay and then that will crash it again. There's too many. I mean, have your long-term position, the one you acquired at $3 and $4, which is why I'm up 22%, right? That's what that is. That's what that is. But your day trade position, it can go all the way back down again. Take some profit. The moment this goes back down again, I'm going to buy another 300 shares, right? But I'm not paying $5 for it. I'm not paying $5 for it because that is more than the cash on the books, right? At the moment, we're only paying for the cash on the books. We don't want to be paying. We're not investing in dreams. Some of you invest in dreams, and that's why you go to the casino. I'm investing on the numbers, and the numbers don't make sense right now. My long-term position is very different than my scout position. I believe it can trade to $100. That doesn't mean to say I pay $5 for it right now. Anyway, it's like the people who complained Twitter and Elon took over, but use Twitter platform. I know, it's all the time. I get so many. Honestly, Leah goes, but it does upset you. I know it upsets you. You're a sensitive person. And I go, it used to upset me when nobody was watching and I started out and I wasn't earning any money. It did upset me when someone says, you're an idiot or whatever. It did. When I first, did it. But now I'm making money. Now people are watching me. Now my channel is growing faster and faster every day. I don't care. I actually find it funny that someone takes the time to, and I reply to them as well, unless they're really sweary and really and those I don't. I get a few that pop up on my YouTube that are, very, very, very bad language and very offensive and really quite horrible. I delete them. I think I ain't got the time. My time is too valuable. I answer everyone's comments. I focus on the members, but I haven't got time to be getting into a rant with some crazy person. But I will answer everyone's questions if there's any kind of sense to it. But when someone says, I don't know why I sit and watch you every day, it drives me mad. Is there something wrong with you? Stuff like that. I think, well, don't watch then. I don't watch rubbish I don't want to watch. I don't watch channels I don't want to watch, do I? Anyway, Oshia hit nice out, but on watch for pullbacks. Just bought another 560 shares of Virgin Galactic at $4.96. Why would you do that? Why would you do that when you were in yesterday at $4.50? I'm not sure what your strategy is. In fact, I know what your strategy is. You think it's going to bounce back from here. I get it. I get it. I do understand where you're coming from. But to me, it's not. That's not a strategy for me. I think those that really understand the stock and really understand the people behind it are waiting for it to go to $3. Doesn't matter because by Thursday it'll be 7. Maybe. But remember, if it hits 550 or 6, they could just immediately release more stocks. They did that last time. Remember, they diluted on the flight. Remember that. They did it last time. They said they won't. I don't believe a word anyone says when it comes to stuff like this. They could drop it. They could release million shares in seconds. 10 million, I don't know. whatever. They could do that at any moment, and all of a sudden the stocks are worth less. Just like that. You would have no notice, no warning. It'll just happen. And if it pops up to 7, it'll happen. So you'll go to 7, back down to 5 in like 1 minute. So be very careful thinking it's going to go to 7. What if there's a delay? What if there's a problem? Remember, the company doesn't make any money. Just beware. I just want everyone to be fully aware of the facts. Don't live like it can only ever go up. I know the Wolf of Dubai tells you everything's going to go up, and Cryptos Are Us and BitBoy and everybody else, all these people, but I'm just not going to do it because it's not what I believe. You can believe what you want, but this is how I see it, and I live and breathe and study it every day and speak to people every day. And anyway, you believe what you believe. I wish everyone the best. I want everyone to make money. I really, really do. Right, okay, now where are we going? It dropped below today. We've got 30 votes now. 83% are you saying take off. There you go. This is the vote right now. 30 votes, take off. I'm giving away cash prizes for those of you vote. If you follow me on Twitter and you do it from my competition link, you can actually be in our draw to win $100. All right. And the more people that enter, the bigger the prizes I can give away. There is the giveaway. Make sure that you take part. Good morning, Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you? Right, my overall portfolio is coming up now. Even though Virgin Galactic is going down, I'm making money again. All right, consistently making money. Here we go. We're coming up. The overall portfolio, it's still red. We should be green in about half an hour. The Roth IRA is coming up. All-time highs because we put our money into Polygon yesterday, and we're still up on it 2%. That's Matic. We were down 4%. We use that for source of funds for paying for fees on the blockchain, moving NFTs around, stuff like that. So when it goes down, I just buy it. It's not really an investment. I just buy it so I've got it when it goes down. Anyway, the Roth IRA is coming up. Let me scroll down and see what's moving. J&J is coming up. Nice. Coca-Cola is coming up again. Tesla coming back up again. Let's go back to Tesla. We trimmed off the top yesterday. McDonald's is now down 2.63. Opportunity to buy McDonald's. Source of funds. There you go, down 2.63. McDonald's now has got a discount. There you go. The first time for months. First time for 3 months now. Still a bit too expensive. We're not touching it yet, but it's getting better. Apple, gold has rallied round now. There you go. Safe stocks are coming back up again. Walmart, it's down at 1%. It's not cheap enough to buy any more just yet. Tilray's coming up. We want to trim. We trimmed yesterday. We want to buy back rather. Procter & Gamble's getting cheaper and cheaper. We want to buy some more of that. And so there we go. Back to Virgin Galactic now. Let's go back to it. The overall Roth is coming up. That's looking good. Looking good. We'll be green in maybe 15 minutes now. I said 20 minutes. Looking at the volume now, it's probably less than that. About 15 minutes, we should be green again. Right, let's have a quick look. Let's go over. Good morning. OCEA is being watched by the Queen of Self-Braiding. Check it out. It's a top tip from her this morning. Try watching Miss Wood, LOL. Ha, Tesla to 10,000. Yes, exactly. Kathy Wood. Tesla just going in basically the numbers that she gives you is essentially half the world's population owning a Tesla. I don't think she's traveled around very much. I've been to 195 countries, and yes, I know that is the whole world. I've toured the whole world. Yes, I know. And trust me, lots of people have more concern of where they're going to get food from and water than buying a Tesla. So rich people sometimes forget. When they live in America, they forget what the rest of the world is like. If Kathy Wood went all across Africa, she might go, maybe not everyone's going to buy a Tesla. Even if it's great, maybe not everyone's going to buy a Tesla. I definitely agree that Tesla has a potential to hit that valuation only if it all goes exceptionally well with full self-drive and further down the road Tesla bot. No, I agree with all of that, but the numbers she's giving, you can't be serious that the numbers she's giving make any sense. You cannot be serious. If she doesn't go up from there here, there's something wrong. Morning Queen. Right, here we go. Overall portfolio, we're still red. Virgin Galactic, weak now. Sold off, coming back a bit. I'm not buying it yet. I already own it. Cherry, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Cherry, the Queen of Self-Braiding is here. So don't feel so lonely as the only lady here. We've got a few now. We've got Queen of Self-Braiding. There's Paddy April from Italy. There are a few of you now. Anyway, I want some ladies to phone in. I need some ladies to phone in. I've got Paddy April. I've got the Queen of Self-Braiding. And I want Cherry. Go on. You are now a member of Discord. You can call in. So please do. This is what the Queen sounds like.
Hi, I'm the Queen of Self-Braiding. I'd like to welcome new members. And if you know you're a YouTuber, come to the Day Trader Show to make your YouTube channel grow. I came to the channel when I had under 100 subscribers. And at the moment, I'm going towards 400. So you're in the right place. Keep watching and supporting the channel.
There you go. And this is Paddy April from Italy.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
There you go. Zach's here as well.
Started watching on TikTok, and I was totally against doing stocks, but after watching you for about 5 to 7 days, I dove in, put $1,000 into Robinhood, and gave this a try. I've been watching what you've been doing. I've been following and trading the way that you've been trading, and today I made a profit after yesterday, so big thumbs up. It really was exciting to me, and all day today I've been waiting for the Virgin Galactic to take off and be able to reinvest and get back in, because I did that today with you.
You can call in at any time. The broadcast lounge is open. If you want to phone in, you can call in at any time. The markets have turned green. It was slightly ahead. I said 15 minutes. It did it in about 10. So it was slightly ahead of schedule. But anyway, looking good. Anyway, here is Sensei Crypto.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
We're just dipping into the red again at the moment. But the S&P is trying to come up. Virgin Galactic is a little bit weak right now. Let's look at our volume. The volume is 400,000. A very low volume today. Let me refresh the screen. Sometimes you have to refresh it. If it sounds a bit odd, check it. Yes, I thought so. 3.5 million, which is pretty good, as you'd expect. But I'm expecting 100 million. That's if we get the attention that the stock should have, if Richard Branson and the team does a good job, which they're not, it should be 100 million 2 days before a flight. Anyway, Virgin Galactic going up. Mullen, gold. Where are our opportunities this morning? Rivian up today 2%. Tesla 190. I sold yesterday 2 shares at 189. That was okay. Nothing wrong with doing that. No chitter chatter. No chitter chatter. You want to hear? You want to hear a bit more?
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about, because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information, and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
Apple going down. Amazon going up. McDonald's 2.7. McDonald's is a great company, solid, but it's extremely expensive. The fair value of McDonald's is actually $260. We are still overpriced. It's not worth this amount of money. You got to buy a decent, a decent price, but it always overpays. It's always going to, because it's solid, it's reliable. It's about land. Land gets expensive. It's not about burgers. But it's a bit of a dip right now. And traditionally, as you can see, over 5 years, that dip is about when when it turns round. If we look at the chart, you can see if you want something stable, and if we go to the 1 day, you can see it's oversold, but it's expensive, very much oversold, but it is expensive. It's not bad. It's not bad to buy one though. It wouldn't hurt you to set a marker in the ground and buy one because you've got a good dividend with it. Into 1.96. It's been lower 3 months ago. We were at 262. It's been lower, but it's tempting me to buy one. It is extremely expensive though. I want to keep my powder dry for Virgin Galactic if we get a drop. PLTR up 7%. Noi, good morning to you, Noi. Haha, no hype. I already have a profit with my 560 shares of Virgin Galactic. Noi Elminger, I do hold PLTR. Excellent. Right, we've now got 33 and a few more people are going, it's going to be a flop. Let me share with you our poll. If you've not voted or retweeted it yet, if you want Virgin Galactic to go up, this is a good poll to promote Virgin Galactic. I don't know why everyone here hasn't retweeted this post. I think you are missing an opportunity. Virgin Galactic are not promoting the stock. I am. There is this post. Is Virgin Galactic going up? 78% of you say yes. All you've got to do is retweet this, and you'll even be in a $100 cash giveaway for doing so. If you follow me on Twitter and retweet my post, there's a cash giveaway. We're giving you money to do it, and you're promoting your own stock. Why hasn't we've got 33 votes and only 2 people have bothered to retweet this post? I don't get it. It's telling you that 78% think it's going to go up. What do you think that does? It tells people to buy the stock. Why on earth has everyone not retweeted it? You take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Anyway, I'm trying my best to promote the stock, but if you don't do it, it's up to you. All right, it's up to you. Free advertisement there for Virgin Galactic. Okay, we're now at 18 watching on Rumble. Our record is 200, and welcome to all of you. Thank you very much indeed. Here on Rumble. If I ever make the homepage of Rumble on the top, someone please quickly let me know, because I want to jump in and make a video on it if that ever happens. All right? Okay. The stocks, we're turning green again. Let's get this studio in a nice green color. Green for growth, green for money. Okay, here we go. The S&P is down slightly. Virgin Galactic is 504 again. And Mullen still going back down. Mullen's going to like 1 or 2 cents. It's worth nothing right now. SPDR, gold, Staples, Rivian, 11.69 out of the money. EVs are doing well. I've got 22 shares of it. I'm not buying it. I'm going to just hold it all the way up. Tesla, 191. Very nice. Space going up. Virgin Galactic, 506. Yes, it is. We're going to do an all-day special for Virgin Galactic on the 25th. You don't want to miss it. The broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in, have your say, talk about Virgin Galactic. Let me go back to the poll right now. We've got 4 retweets now. Finally, people are actually waking up and doing something about it. Get off their backside and retweet the hell out of this post. I've given you the post. I've given you the information. There it is. Virgin Galactic, positive energy, making money. You can get the stock going up just by retweeting it. 33 votes, only 4 retweets now. Not only do you promote the stock to show that 78% believe it's going up, but you also can win $100 for doing it. I don't know why everyone's not doing it. Anyway, whatever. Am I frustrated? Yes, because most people just sit there. How many of you are sat on the toilet? Just sat on the toilet doing nothing. I have faith. Pat Mullen Automotive will rebound. JP Rothschild, you sent me a great comment. This guy here spoke to people at Mullen about Mr. Mitchery, and I want to, and he gave me some great insight. I just need him to become a member of my channel so I can verify him, so I can actually make a video on it and talk about and promote Mullen. I can't right now because you're not a member. I have to stick to members only. That way we know, all the information is verified, okay? You keep messaging me and the information you're giving me is good, but I have to have it from members only. It's a members perk that we make videos. I spend a lot of time making videos. It takes a lot of my time, but I do it for my members. All right. This is good news. Good news now. There are people now getting off their asses, look, and retweeting this post. There you go. We've now got 78%. There are 6 retweets. Fantastic. You're giving yourself a chance to win some money, and you're also giving yourself the chance to promote the stock. I'm giving you the tools. Just use it. 6 retweets. We should have 33. To be quite honest, you voted on it. Retweet it. Okay. Gold. Virgin Galactic 515. Okay. My portfolio is now turning very green. We are green all across the board. We have broken new all-time records now. We are up absolutely everywhere. Another day in the green. Look, we are up on the main account. We are up on the Roth IRA. We are up on the overall balance. What is pounding now? J&J is hovering. Tesla is up now. I sold a couple of shares last night. Am I regretful? No, because I've got the cash on hand. Coca-Cola's going up. Space is going up. Amazon is going up big time. It's a big part of my portfolio. NEE is going up. What else have we got? Rivian is going up. EVs are going up. Tilray is going up. IonQ is going up again. Rumble is going up. We're seeing some real movement here today. All right, let's go back to Virgin Galactic and see what's going on. There are people now getting off their asses. It's great. It's great. Well, yeah. They're sat on the toilet messing around. I'm thinking, what's going on with people? Look, I'm giving you the tools. 33 votes. It's always typical. A couple of % of people actually act. Most people sit and moan and go, well, why didn't the stock go up? Well, you didn't do nothing about it, did you? We have the power as an army, as I rank number 1 for SBCE stock, to get this all over Twitter today. We have the power to get this all over Twitter and pump the stock. Virgin Galactic are not doing it. You can do it. There's the tools. There's the video. There's the thumbnail. Just promote it. Click, flipping retweet. I don't get it. Lazy people. All right, come on, let's go. Space Climb, I think it would be 100 on drop. I think I'd buy 100 on drop every day this week for scalping. 517. It's going up. I am not buying it now. I'm already in. I'm up 27.59%. Very nice indeed. I've made some money. I'm not buying it at the moment. It would be absolutely bonkers to do it. But we shall see. Space is up 5.3%. 517 now. Still going. 518 space up and away. We've got 6 retweets now, 33 votes. Let me get the link again. And here we go. There's the link again. I keep posting it. Only a handful of you are doing it. Oh, we got a record audience this morning on Rumble. Rumble, let me welcome everybody on Rumble. Hey, there you are. There's you watching you. We're giving away $100 in cash. We're talking about Virgin Galactic. We're having some fun with it. We are promoting a tweet on Twitter, obviously. If you go and retweet this post, you can share the news that 78% of people believe it's going up. That will make the stock go up just by itself. We need the Wall Street bets to jump in for a good pump and dump. There we go, 517. 517. Are you doing it now? Whoop, here we go again. All right, let's make some money. The overall portfolio is going up. The S&P is going down slightly. Virgin Galactic. Mullen is trying to come up. Gold is going up. Be careful when gold starts going up. Rivian is going up. 11% out of the money. Tesla now 191. We sold a couple of shares at 189. That was good. Lucid is going up. I can't wait to get my money out of Lucid. Oh, I can't wait. It's 13% to go. Come on, let's have a everybody promote Lucid, right? Let's get Lucid to go up so I can make my $64 back, and then I can sell that and get some money back out of it, and I can say, ta-ra, Lucid. Why would you bother? Right, we've had 7 likes and 6 retweets now. Apple going back up. Amazon up today, 0.31. McDonald's, Coca-Cola up. Procter & Gamble still going down. Defensive stocks is selling out. I love it. I love it. Down 1.79. Let's have a look. We want to go really to GLD, not GLD, VDC. It's not quite there yet. I think it can go a bit more. I'm going to hold for fire for a bit. 519, 520. Well, this is very exciting on Virgin Galactic right now. 2 days to go for the Virgin Galactic specials. It's all good. Come on. What are you doing? Everyone's getting FOMO now. I can see it. Who's got FOMO? Shall we do a poll on... Shall we do a poll? If you've just voted on Virgin Galactic, make sure that you retweet that post. All right? Make sure you retweet this, because if you retweet it, you're sharing to the world about this post. So few people are doing it. I don't know why. I do know why, because people are lazy. Most people moan and complain. Do you know how many hundreds of emails every single day I get from people saying, will you give me money? And wherever I can, I try to reply, unless it's obviously a scam. Look, they're all scams, but some of them are just people being lazy, right? And they go to the trouble of emailing me. Takes them 10 minutes to write an email, and they go, would you give me free money? I've got no money, and all my family have left me, and I'm poor. And I reply, and I go, hello there. I said I give money away all the time. Just go to my competition page. And they reply back. They actually go to the trouble of not entering the competition, but replying back and going, no, I don't want to do that. Can you just give me free money? I go, well, I am giving you free money, and you've taken more time to reply to me twice. You could have just entered the competition. No, I don't want to win it. I just want you to give it to me. That's why you got no money. I'm trying to give it to you and you don't want it. I'm trying to promote the stock and no one's bothered. I don't know what else to say. Flipping heck. Anyway, Rivian. Now we're getting a bit of a sell-off. Tesla, it got to all excited. Look, we had a nice little rally. Lucid. Apple still going up. Amazon still going up. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. Where do I see the best deals right now? I see the best deals in the defensives. I'm going to buy your Lucid shares when you sell. Cannot wait. Chanel. I tell you what, Chanel, I'll do you a special rate. I'll do you a special rate. Do you want to buy them off me now? Do you want to buy them off me now for $9? I'll sell them to you right now for $9. You can have them right now. Okay, we've now got six excited, passionate, hard-working human beings who have bothered to get off their backsides and tweet. 41 can't be bothered. I'm voting on it, but I'm not going to share this information. I don't want anyone to know about this information. I ain't going to share it. I can't be bothered. All right, then don't then. All right, I'm going to buy your shares. 520 back to Virgin Galactic. It's going back down again. Scalp days, scalping dreams. This is not the strength I thought it would be. Now, some of you are going, what do you mean? This is great. It's up 20, it's up 17% in a week. It should be up 100%. If it was really going to fly, it should be up 100%. It's not. It's not, because over a month up 45%. That's not so bad, but it's still not good. In my opinion, it's still not good. I think it could get to these figures and drop back down again. Anyway, we shall see. We shall see. It's all good. Anyway, I'm going to buy your Lucid OCEA, the Queen of Self-Braiding. My advice, if Virgin Galactic goes below $5 for a while, then buy like crazy. Buy like crazy. Buy like crazy. I don't know about that. I don't know about buying like crazy. Should I sell my Lucid share in my brokerage account or keep it for long term? Well, Cherry. We've got an investor here called Shan LY. He actually is an investor. We do have some clowns that call themselves investors. They're not investors. I did a poll. I asked all my Lucid fans, I did a video and asked them, how many of you have read the balance sheet? It was virtually none. It was ridiculous, right? But, however, they think it's the best stock in the world. They don't read the balance sheet. They just look at the car. They look at the car and go, well, the car's great, so it must be great. Well, the Apollo that went to the moon was a good rocket. Did you buy shares in NASA? Do you know how much NASA loses money? Do you know how much money it costs to take those rockets into space? You wouldn't invest in NASA, would you? No, right? But it was a good rocket. It landed on the moon. Very, very nice. So would you buy Lucid because it's the best car in the world, or would you buy it because it makes money? I mean, I ask you one simple question, Cherry. Are you an investor to make money? Hey, 11AQ, thank you. Are you an investor looking to make money, or are you a fan? I'm not a fan of anybody. I'm a fan of you guys. I love my audience and I'm here for you. That's why I go live 10 hours a day for the members. If you're not a member yet, why not? It's the members that fund the live shows. I make no money from the videos. It's the members, the super chats, and the crypto tips I make money from. So if you enjoy the live shows, become a member. And then I give you back 20 times what you put in. Ask anyone, and they'll all tell you. But if I could invest in SpaceX, I would. So would I. And you can invest in SpaceX as a private investor if you've got a lot of money. There are ways to invest in SpaceX. But for us mere poor people, you can invest in SpaceX by investing in the subsidiaries that supply SpaceX. Find out where they get their bread from. Find out who supplies the milk. Find out who supplies the nuts and bolts of the company. Invest in them. So you can. I'm an investor to make money. I love it. Cherry wanted to come back and say, I'm an investor. Don't put me in that fan club. I'm not interested in fan clubs. I'm here to make money. Nice one, Cherry. Respect to you, Cherry. Love it. She says, I'm not interested in that rubbish. I'm here to make money. All right. I'm not going to go on YouTube sending silly messages, shouting and swearing and talking rubbish. Anyway, all you want to do is make money. Are you consistently up? Are you consistently making money? Well, then you're winning, aren't you? OCEA up 75% today. Patent Award Cancer Treatment Queen. There you go. The Queen of Self-Braiding gave you a tip this morning for OCEA. She gave it to you live in the show. It's up 75% now. There you go. Top tip from OCEA from Queen of Self-Braiding. I think Google owns a percent. When I last looked into it, could be wrong though. Owns a percent of what? Lucid? Owns a percent of what? Mullen. S&P. Virgin Galactic. 516, trimming off again. Where are we going next? I think Google owns a certain percent. Staples still going down. I like it. How much lower are the staples going to go? Just checked. Oh, SpaceX. There we go. Oh, Google. Yes. Google owns SpaceX. You're absolutely right. 10%. There you go. There you go. I knew YouTube was doing all right because YouTube is owned by Google as well. Right. Now we're looking really, really tasty. Everything's up. 55,006. I'm very excited. I think I might have turned my Roth. $21 to go. $21 to go to being at $17 to go to turning my Roth IRA completely green all across the board. We know it's up on the day, the week, the month, the 3 months, the year to date. I want it to be up all. 14 bucks to go. And the reason why I'm down is because I lost money on Virgin Orbit. This is before I actually was in the mindset of taking profits. I allowed Richard Branson to walk away with Cosmic Girl while I paid for it. I'm quite annoyed. It's like he mugged me. Anyway, there we go. Just check 10%. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks for that research. You should become a member. If you become a member, you can do research for me. Send it in links via Discord. I can share it on the show. I've got several researchers. It'd be really helpful if you could become a member and basically pay me to help me, right? So you become a member. Are you on StockQuit, Martin? Yes, I am. I am on StockQuits. I get a lot of grief on StockQuits. A lot of people are always reporting me on StockQuits. It drives me up the wall. You want my StockQuits account? I'll give it to you. StockQuits, I'm on there. And I make a post, and then people don't like what I say, and they get angry with me. There's my StockQuits. The links are all below every video. Look at the all links page. All right, there you go. Shan, thanks for asking. Appreciate it. Right, here we go. Virgin Galactic now 519. Virgin that is 5% up. 5% to go up for today. Target is 10% for today. Oh, love it. Love it. Virgin Galactic now. I'm up on my main account now by 28%. When are we going to sell it all? Gold is going up. We've been buying that today. Come on. $16 to go, and I'm green all across the board. We want that. We want to see that. It's like an obsession. Right, okay. Let's give everyone the chance. We've got people just coming in who've not yet got off their backside and done some work. Here we go. There's the tweet. We're giving you $100. We're giving away a cash prize for you to promote your own stocks so you make money. I don't know what's wrong with you. There's the poll. 42 votes. Only 7 people have retweeted it. Only 7 people have promoted the fact that Virgin Galactic, 78% of you saying it's going to go up. That is the best commercial for Virgin Galactic that Virgin Galactic have not done themselves. There you go. I can't make it any easier. Let me give the information as well to everybody over on Rumble. And who's on Rumble right now? Stephen, Midnight. Nice move on the MTDR, Stephen. 1,900 and 1,200 shares. Oh, very nice indeed. Back in oil. Very nice indeed. Let me come back to it. 42 votes, just 7 retweets. Unbelievable. Should we hold space or sell? Well, Landon Davis, do you want to call in and have a conversation? I need more information. If you want to call in on Discord, live, you can call in via a phone call. It's like the Dave Ramsey show. You can phone in. I'd love to know your position. I'd love to know your thoughts on it. I'd love to learn from you. You can learn from all of us. Here is my Discord link. You need to be a member, though, to access the call-in button. Here is the Discord link for anyone that wants to join Discord. If you want to actually have all the members' channels and call in and be part of it, here's the invitation to join. There it is. Okay. If anyone wants to share their favorite stock, their crypto stock, their crypto asset on the screen. You want to read out your favorite crypto? There you go. No gas fees, no sign-ups. You can do a crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip. It'll come up on the screen, and then we'll spend the next minute talking about your favorite crypto. Anyway, still selling nothing from Virgin Galactic. If you want to sell something, wait until Thursday evening. Should we hold space or sell? It depends on your position, what you want to do. Remember, you should always have 4 or 5 moves. It's like playing chess. What is the point of selling if you don't know what you're going to buy? Are you going to put it into cash, earn 4.65 on Robinhood? Uninvested cash. Are you going to buy bonds? What are you going to do with the money if you sell it? Are you going to buy defensives? Gold is now coming up. Defensives are getting cheaper because everyone's turning bullish. That sends the defensives down. Good time to buy them. Always want a defensive position underpinning your portfolio. My position have an average of 547. Queen OSHA popping again up over $9. 2 days at launch for 25th of May. Yes, but that is incorrect, Tamaro. The launch is not May 25th. The window opens for the launch May 25th. If there are delays, if there are weather conditions, she will not fly May 25th. That is when the window opens. It could be a couple of days after that if all goes well, or get cancelled altogether. Just remember that. Procter & Gamble now, we got the dip this morning. We've started to add into defensive stocks, J&J, Google. Google's going down, a little bit of a discount there for Google. Microsoft, Walmart getting cheaper. Defensive is selling off. High risk is going up. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla now, 190. We sold 2 shares last night at 189. I think that's good. Virgin Galactic now 519. Waiting for another dip. Up 5% today. It's okay. It's okay. But it's not amazing. 5% is not amazing considering the flights are 2 days away. I would have thought we'd be at 100% up now, and we're not. So just don't get carried away. Everyone says to me, I often see people say, oh, the stock's pumping. I go and look at it. It's up like 0.5%. Weather conditions are not their fault and can delay 1 or 2 days. Correct. It's not their fault, but it will affect the stock though. It will drive it down and people will buy it again. That's exactly what people want. That's what I want to happen, actually. If I'm honest, I want it to pop up, right? Delay it for a day, go all back down again, sell it, buy it again, and do it all over again. That'd be great. That'd be great. People go, I don't want that. I go, I do. Damn right I do. Of course we do. Why wouldn't you? Let's have a little look. Right, we've got 37 watching on YouTube. If we can get some more likes on YouTube, that would be great. 39 watching now on YouTube. Look at that. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. And how many likies? 29. We need 10 more likes. Let's get Mr. Mini on the case. There you go. Let's get 29 to turn to 39 right now. You ready? Go on, you can do it. And then I'll bring Virgin Galactic in. Look. This is what we're looking forward to. Can we get it to 29? To 39? At least get it to 30. Come on, at least get it to 30. What? I'm promoting Virgin Galactic stock here. I'm making everybody rich. All you got to do is like the button. See, people are lazy. People are lazy. They go, there you go. Finally, someone went, all right, I'll do it. I'll let Mr. Richard Branson smile at you now. Well, he's not really smiling, is he? But he's happier than he was. Put it that way. He's happier than he was. Anyway, thank you very much for smashing the like button. I appreciate it. Brilliant. Okay. Now then, if you notice there, we are actually giving you some free money. We are. We're giving free money away. Who wants some free money? Anybody want free money? Yeah. All right. We're giving away $100 live on the show. If you want to win, it's martynlucas.com/giveaway. It's where we have all our giveaways. It's the same page all the time. Every few days we have a new one. We gave $125 away last week with 15 hours of one-on-one training. We don't charge for it like other YouTubers do. We give it for free, and we give you the money to invest in your stocks as well. We're just too nice. We're just too nice. So there you go, martynlucas.com/giveaway. You like that? Of course you do. Right, Virgin Galactic's now 522. Hey, 524. Now it's gaining momentum. Now it's gaining momentum. Who's got FOMO? I've got a bit of FOMO, if I'm honest. I've got a bit of FOMO now, thinking, should have bought in this morning. I got FOMO now. Anybody else got FOMO? I got FOMO. See, what I could do now is I could buy it and set a stop trail loss. Shall I exercise my FOMO? I'm tempted just to do it for fun, just to buy it, even though I'm breaking all my own rules. Shall I do it? Shall I buy Virgin Galactic and set a stop trail loss? Shall I do it? I got some of my Roth IRA funds transferred to Robinhood this morning. What's the best stock to do day trading right now? A newbie like me. Well, Virgin Galactic, if you set a stop trail loss, remember you can sell for free in your Roth IRA. You can do it tax-free. If you set a stop trail loss, you can't lose money on it. But just remember, it's not a guaranteed thing. If you set a 10 cents, no, don't do it, says Bluefin. Don't do it. You talk about it all the time. Don't do it. Should I do it? But it goes to 7 anyway. Should I do it? Oh, come on. Should we have some fun? It is fun though, isn't it? You got to have some fun with it. Even make quick $10 its profit. Exactly. Do a small position for the fun of it. Guarantee it will drop as soon as you buy. Yeah, guarantee it. Should I do it? I'm going to do it for entertainment purposes. It's still cheap, but I wouldn't buy. But I would buy a Max on 5. No FOMO, big bag holder, space 13,000. It's bloody ridiculous. I shouldn't do it. I want to do it for fun. I think everybody would find it fun. It's against all my principles. But I think it's not FOMO. I'm just like being an entertainer and thinking everybody would find it entertaining, especially if it went down a bit. Anyway. Look, I've got my finger right on it. 200 shares. What entertainment? You have to make money. Yeah. 57 million of shares in Virgin Galactic are short. 57 million of shares in Virgin Galactic are short. Where did you get that information from? Can you verify that to me? Send me a link in. Yes or no, Jumper has said. Tamaro, you do some good research. I'd like if you become a member of my channel, and then you can send in links via Discord. You can share the information on the screen, and once you become a member, you get 20 times back what you put in. We celebrate your birthdays. We give you exclusive content. We reply to all your comments. We can do polls for you. We can celebrate your birthday, a 20-minute fundraiser gig if you want to raise money for charity. You can speak to all my traders and investors. You get discounts from all the shops. There are many, many, many perks you get for becoming a member. Anyway, there we go. Have a think about it. You're acknowledging you shouldn't. So I think a really small play is just a bit of fun, indeed. You never buy a pump like this. You never buy a pump like this. It can go straight back down to $4 in a heartbeat. And at the end of the day, my job is to be up consistently, not to catch a wave and risk it all. I'm not a gambler. I just like entertaining. And as you can see, if I'd done it like I said I would, Craig said, the moment you buy it, it's going to go down. And that's exactly what would have happened. And now I'm owning shares at 5.19, which I used to own at 3. How crazy would I look then? I would actually wait for a little intraday drop. I know, that's kind of what I should do. That's what I have been doing. That's what I've been doing all the way through this process. I just like playing along sometimes. And right now I'm missing out. I'm missing all the fun. It's like I'm missing all the fun, aren't I? Anyway. Right. S&P is going back down. Virgin Galactic is going back down at the moment. Mullen's going back down. Gold is going back down. We're getting a bit of a dip now. My staples are coming up. That tells you where the markets are going. That's why I bought them. Rivian, Tesla, I sold at the top, 189. Waiting for a bigger dip. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. No. It's getting better, but still too expensive. Procter & Gamble. Oh, nice. That's good. We're getting that to come up again now. Very good indeed. J&J. There we go. All defenses have been bought back up. That tells you everything you need to know about where everyone thinks it's going. Wait for a dip at least, Martin. I'll try to catch it on a drop in the morning. I think we can take it every day. This flight this week, if play it right. I think you're right, Craig. That was the dip this morning. That was the dip. That was the moment there. That was the moment this morning when it popped up and then gave off. That was the point. You could now be up 6%. That would have been all right. But again, you got to think to yourself, where's the money coming from? What else can I do with the money? If I take 6% out of, another stock, what am I going to do? You've got to think of all the different moves. Anyway, let's see how many people could be bothered today to like the video. There we go. We got 36. There you go. People got involved. Look, they got involved. Let me check the poll. Have more people been bothered to vote? Yeah, 45% have voted. Only 7 still have retweeted. Lazy people. Only 7 people want to promote to the world how popular Virgin Galactic is right now, which is mental because everybody here is buying it. And only 7 out of 45 of you have shared the information that Virgin Galactic is going up, that everybody thinks it's going up. A positive thumbnail. I don't understand. But I do, because it's what people do. Anyway, I think we can take it every day this week if we play it right. Got to have patience, right? Got to wait for the moments. As my Roth IRA turned $20 away, $20 away. What are the charts telling us today? What are the charts telling us that we should do today with our money? Well, as you can see, I've got $16 to go to turn my Roth IRA green. The only reason I'm down is because I didn't take profits on Virgin Orbit. That's the only reason. $16 away. Can we fix this problem? Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Time will tell if you should have hit the button. No. It always. And it doesn't matter. There we go. 519. Are we going to get any sell-offs today? No one selling at the moment. Lots of shorters going on. Over on Rumble. We've got 12 watching right now. Thank you to all of you. We've got 5 likes. Thank you very much. 149 followers. Excellent stuff. PLTR still looking good. PLTR Noi. Thank you very much. Welcome to you. We are nearly green overall for the very first time. $18 to go. Virgin Galactic, Mullen. Let me check my Bloomberg feed. What have we got? Have we got any information? Top Hungarian lender, OTP, is said to explore sale of Romanian arms. Let's read some of the news for you. Climate activists disrupt Shell AGM as investors back the board. Okay, let's go back to Virgin Galactic. Starting to sell off. Aren't you happy now you didn't do it? Never, ever, 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 ever follow a pump. Let's see if any more people have claimed their free tickets this morning. 5541. Let's have a little look. 5541. No one done it in the last hour. Free money for people to claim free tickets to our giveaway. If you have enough money to spare, I would buy Virgin Galactic and keep it until Thursday. I've got Virgin Galactic. Got plenty of Virgin Galactic. Look, I got loads of money to make money. No problem at all. Look, I'm up 27%. I've got 336 shares. There you go, right there. And I've got $4,000 in my buying power and $1,200 in my Roth IRA. I could buy it. It's just whether it's the right thing to do. And at the moment, it's not. Marlin, Gold, Vanguard. Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. Bit of a discount today. Still expensive though. Amazon, McDonald's. I sold my space shares yesterday, but we'll buy back tomorrow. Oh, good way of looking at it. Coca-Cola doing well, up today, up across the board. Procter & Gamble, our defensive stocks. I've been buying that with the profits I made from Tesla and Virgin Galactic yesterday, and now that's coming up. That's good. Building the positions lower and lower. Walmart had a nice little bounce back today. Still expensive though. Tesco, Next Era, Enphase, Bitcoin, Tilray, Robinhood. We're looking at all these stocks. Trying to trim off the top from Robinhood. Virgin Galactic. Now then, if you want to be in our giveaway and you've not yet entered it, remember, even if you don't want $100, give it to charity. Some of you go, I can't be bothered for $100. I can't be bothered to click that for $100. If you can't, donate the $100 to somebody else. Lots of people here would love the $100. We've got Zach, who does fundraising in Africa, Develop Alert UK in Uganda. He would love $100. That would be massive to them in the village. They would love it over there. So if you want to give to charity, do that. But the more people that take part in our giveaways, the more the bigger prizes we get, the more we give away. And then for those of you who didn't think it was worth it, you soon will when it gets to $1,000. Virgin Galactic. The overall portfolio looking all right. Now then, tomorrow it's the inflation rate. Inflation rate tomorrow. That's in the UK. I beg your pardon. Tomorrow we learn about the crude oil stocks. We also learn on the 30-year mortgage rate tomorrow. It's the inflation rate in the UK. That's at 1 a.m. my time, which is 7 o'clock in the morning in the UK. Virgin Galactic, aren't I glad? Can you imagine now I'm going, I don't believe this. I just bought it for 5.30 and now here we are going back down. Oh my God, can you believe it? Anyway, I need to imagine it. Imagine if I'd bought it at 5.25 and now I'm going, I'm out of the money again. Richard Branson's done me again. Buy a share of space when it goes to $4.99 limit order. $4.99. Hey, I got a super chat from Stephen Lewandowski. Buy one when it goes to $4.99, a limit order. All right. You think it will? You think it will? Nice one, Stephen. Everyone's getting FOMO. I do think some will dump on the flight out of fear of failure, then a pump if it's successful. Nice one, Stephen, says Crag. It's still going down. It's still going to 10% today, though. Buy now for $2,000, and it will. If it still drops below 5, you buy another $2,000. Well, that's all right for you, because you're rich. Hassan L, you've got $4,000 to throw up in the air. I haven't got as much money as you. I've got $4.99 donated to me by Stephen Lewandowski on a super chat. Thank you very much, Stephen Lewandowski. I thank you very much for that.
Buy a share of SPCE when it goes to 4.99 limit order.
There we go, Stephen Lewandowski. That's what I need to do. Buy a share of Virgin Galactic when it goes to $4.99. Anyway, let's relive the moment. Let's relive the moment in recent events. This is my recent events. Here it comes. I want to hear it again because it just sounded so good.
Buy a share of SPCE when it goes to 4.99 limit order.
Not too rich, but I think it's a smart move. All right. Well, you're richer than me. If you've got $4,000 to spend on Virgin Galactic right now, you're richer than me. Mullen, Gold, VDC, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. What are we going to do? What we're going to do? What's our next move going to be? Our next move going to be, what is it? What is it? Wealth Fund QIA joins SoftBank, BlackRock in private credit push. Some breaking news there for you. I'd like to bring you the news as we get it. Apple, Virgin Galactic is falling now. Is this another entry point? PLTR nearly at 10% now. Noy's been giving you a great tip here this morning. Thank you, Noy. Where are you from, by the way, Noy? Where in the world are you from? I'd love to know where you're from. Now then, we've got the big event on Thursday. It's going to be a special, Virgin Galactic special. There it is. There it is. Make sure that you've already got your ticket for it. It's going to be a members only chat, I think. We want to do it especially for our, we want to have certain features reserved for our members throughout the day. There's going to be special content, interviews, all kind of things, and I want to, as always, support my members who support the live channels. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the members. Okay. All right. Palantir and IonQ doing really well. IonQ, yes. 88%. I sold it at 25% up. So, 25% no is a profit, right? And I'm happy with that. Would I have preferred 88%? You're damn right I would. New Zealand. Oh, lovely. I think we got a couple of people from New Zealand, actually. So it's nice to have you here. Welcome to you. Welcome to you. Mullen, Gold, VDC. We want to buy back Tilray when it goes back down. We trimmed off the top yesterday. We want to do that again. We also want to take some profits out of Robinhood because I've got a massive position on that one. I've got, it's 3.72% of my portfolio in my main account. We're up 1.12, so that's great. Happy with that. Long term, it's good, and I'm up on it. I'm glad. Roth IRA, I've got 17%. I want to trim it back, and I'll do that, but not quite yet. Virgin Galactic. There is the reason why. Egypt races to end pound dilemma in hunt for Gulf. IMF cash. Not sure what that's about, but I'm just bringing you information. I'm just reading it as I see it. There's why you don't follow a pump. You buy on the dips. You don't buy when it goes up. You'd already be in. Even if you'd set a stop trail loss, you'd have been out straight away. You'd have been selling for a loss straight away. And there's no point doing that. We don't want to lose money, do we? Boeing CEO cautions that supply woes could last a very long time. All right. Virgin Galactic still going down. We are $26 away from turning my Roth completely clean, green across the board. That's what we want to do. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic's going up again. Had a little sell-off there. Was that the drop again? Possibly. Let me check on our poll. See how many people now have voted. 49 votes. Just 7 retweets, unfortunately. 79%. It's a great story for Virgin Galactic. Sadly, no one has really shared it. Great shame. 49 of you have voted. I don't understand why people haven't voted on it, though. I don't understand that. Anyway, only 7 retweets. A bit bonkers, really. Don't know why. Right, we are, I think, $5 away. $5 away. Are we finally going to be green for the first time on my Roth IRA? $6 away. And the reason for it is not Virgin Galactic. That's not in my Roth right now. Is because of Tesla is breaking ground again. We sold a couple at 189. We're up 12% now. We've got 26% Tesla. Very, very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. Should I sell some more? Take some more off the table. $3.96. Come on. Let's turn... Oh, $1.68. Come on. We've never been green on my Roth IRA for more than 5 minutes. All right? When I first got the matches, and then we lost all the money on Virgin Orbit, and I've never been in the green since. Been buying the dips, trying to improve my position. Come on, let's do it. See it live right now. Turn green. $2 to go. Come on. Tesla, all you got to do is got $1 more and 1 more cent per share, and I'll be there. Go on, 177. 0.01. 27 cents. 27 cents. Go on, get in. It's never been green since I started trading. When I first bought in, I got my matches. I was up, of course. You get the 1% match. And then we had Virgin Orbit collapse on us and take all our money. Yes. Finally, we are green across. Oh, yeah, for 1 second. For 1 second. Go on, stay green. Green. There we go. Green across every single metric. There we go. I wonder how long it'll last for. Very good. Very nice. I just wanted to see that. See that. All right, good. So now my pension for my future. Leah, start the van, start the car. We've got $2.43. We're up now. We can finally retire now. Finally, we can retire because we've got $7 in our Roth IRA. Drum roll. I've got a drum roll. You want to hear a drum roll? You want to hear a drum roll? Here comes a drum roll. Ladies and gentlemen, we are finally green and we can finally retire with $12. Brilliant. I'm glad about that. It's nice though, isn't it? It's nice though, isn't it? Should we have the drum roll again? Ladies and gentlemen, I can now retire with $16 in the bank. Absolutely brilliant. There we go. That's a bit of fun, isn't it? Got a bit of fun on a Tuesday morning. Got a bit of fun on a Tuesday morning. Right, Tesla. Thank you, Tesla. Thank you, Elon Musk. I appreciate it. I've now got a pension I can retire on. Robert does tutorials. He's happy. Look, congratulations, Martyn. I know it took a while. Took a while because of, and I ain't. That's why I'm not losing money on Virgin Galactic. I'm sick and bloody hell. Look how quick it's going up now. So that's all right, isn't it? There we go. Anyway, very nice. Very nice. Virgin Galactic is going back down. See what I mean? And can you imagine if I'd have bought it? That would have been it. If I'd have bought that, I would have lost all credibility. You'd have gone to me, you don't know what you're doing. You've been telling everyone, don't buy the pump. Don't do FOMO. It went up and then you did FOMO right in front of everyone. And the moment you bought it, remember Craig said, the moment you buy it, Martyn, you're going to lose money. You know it. And he'd have been right. Anyway, he'd have been right. Hey, Queen. How are you? I know the feeling. I started a separate eToro account last year and that hit green for the first time yesterday. Yeah, that's right. Because it's all very well and good. It's all very well and good saying I'm green today. It doesn't mean anything. It's nice. It's good. We like to be green. But what matters is your all-time position. That's what matters. So when I invested $14,000, I've made $12. That's how much money I've actually got to pay the bills, all right? $4.99 or lower, says Stephen. I agree with you. I'm right with you, mate. I'm right with you. And that's what we're looking for. Okay? Because we know it can bounce from here today. We know that. Okay? $4.89. Just along here, we know it will take off again. We know that. Because there's not going to be a bad news today. There could be bad news tomorrow. We could get a delay tomorrow, but we won't today. Has anyone been talking about PLTR, Fusion? Yes, we have. All morning. Where have you been? You've missed it. We've been talking about it all morning. People have been making money on it all morning. Virgin Galactic, Mullen, Gold, VDC. Was it you who told me, or was it what was his name? Oh, Sick 22, isn't it? It's been saying buy this. You told me to buy the consumers. 22 Sick 22 said to buy the consumers staple. I've been buying it, and ever since I bought it, he ain't been here. I'm like, I want him to go. Oh, nice. Hard to make money on eToro. Can pay 5 cents a share on the penny stocks when it's ridiculous. What does FOMO mean? Fear of missing out. I need this to go to 18 sooner than later. Why, have you got a contract on it? What does FOMO mean? Fear of missing out. It's the one thing that traders and investors get a lot. It's the fear of missing out. Is MWG the next top? And OMH, find out soon. New IPO under $1. Mysterious MM, welcome to you, Mysterious. If you become a member, I'll research it for you, do a full review, make a video on it, you name it, run polls on it. It's a member's perk, all right? Okay, we've got 49 votes now on our poll on Virgin Galactic. I am amazed only 7 of you have retweeted this good news for Virgin Galactic. I think you've missed an opportunity there. I thought everybody would retweet it. Not only are you promoting the stock, you got a chance to win $100 just by doing it. I don't know why. I don't know what else to do. Give you the good news to promote your stock so you make money and pay you $100 to do it. What's wrong with people? I don't do any day trading really though. I just buy and hold. That's what I do 90% of the time. But right now we are turning from bearish to bullish. You want to take some profits along the way. It makes sense. Aha! We've just got another worker, not a lazy person. Someone has just gone and retweeted it. Thank you. There you go. 49 votes now. Thank you very much indeed. Like it. Juan Carlos, you're very, very welcome. I don't do day trading, says Robert does tutorials. I have 2,500 shares of PLTR, been down for a long time. Good morning, everyone. FOMO will get you wrecked. Yes, it will. It's the worst thing for any investor. You'll always chase a stock. You'll always be on the wrong side of it. The system was built like that. The system was built for you to lose money. Because remember, people make money by selling stock. How do they make money when it goes to, how do they make money? They make money by buying a stock when it goes up. They can only sell it when it's up if there's someone buying it and losing money. That's how it works, right? If no one was buying, you couldn't sell anything. If no one was buying anything, you couldn't sell your stocks. No one would buy it off you, right? When you sell a stock, someone had to buy it. That's how it works. So when you buy it, the stocks go up. When you sell it, the stocks go down. And there are people buying when you are selling. That's how it works. So anyway. Queen, did you have some shares of OCEA? Yes, you did, I believe. If you're feeling FOMO, you're already too late. That's why I'm already in. With Virgin Galactic, I've been buying it for months. Not overbuying it. 4.65%. Now, we all know if I had more, I'd make more money. However, it's about risk management. The way to grow a portfolio is have stability and have an overall portfolio that grows strong to the future. If you risk everything at higher risk, it's like I don't put any money in the bank, I don't invest in myself, but I spend all my money on lottery tickets. Well, you're either going to get rich or have nothing. There's nothing in between, and that's not what you want to do. So anyway, we've had 2 little downturns. I'm not going to buy it yet, even if it goes up from here. Crag, yeah, I noticed eToro a bit pricey. S&P, Virgin Galactic, Mullen, Gold, VDC, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble. This is my defensive stocks. J&J. Ed Nevius, another great trade today from our scalp trader. All this information is shared in Discord. You can benefit from all that information, all those trades. He gives you them ahead of time. If you are part of our Discord channel, you can hear from Ed Nevius all the time what he's doing. Google, Microsoft, Walmart. Oh, nice. I'm up on it now. Next tier energy, still down on it. The solar stocks have had a bit of a tough time recently. Getting lower and lower and lower. Bitcoin. My average is 15,000. Robinhood. Nearly trimmed there. Nearly trimmed. IonQ. Had a dip. It's going back up again. If we can get some money out of Hood today, I'll have about $1,000. I want to, well, not maybe 1,000, maybe $500. I want to trim back Robinhood, trade the top stocks for the cheaper stocks. It gets close every time. It's not quite there yet. It's not quite there yet. Back to Virgin Galactic. Right, we've got 51 votes now on this poll. Okay, I'm going to take a break. I'm going to get off. So we've got to do a couple of things before we go. First of all, if you want to vote on this poll, you've got a chance of winning $100 by doing it. It's part of our competition. You also get the chance to promote the stock and tell everybody that 76% think it's going up, so that promotes the stock if you want it to go up. Of course, if you're shorting it, maybe you don't want to promote this stock and you don't want to retweet it. Just retweet it, leave a comment, and all that stuff. There you go. We're also we've got a few things to give to you before I go. Here is the giveaway link if you want to be in our competition. We give away cash prizes all the time. This is our latest one. It's $100 plus. Well, no, it's not. It's $100. That's all it is. I was going to go plus $100 in cash. I will start posting more in chat, in chit chat or breakfast lounge. Where you should put it is in stock tips. Unless you've got your own channel. Hang on a minute. You've got Ed Nevius's tips. Ed Nevius's tips. Look, over here you've got your own channel, Ed. Every morning, put it in your own channel. This is where it should be. Ed Nevius. Here, every morning, you can throw in all your trades here. That's where you should put it. You've got your own channel. What you on about? Unbelievable. Right, let me close the broadcast lounge. No one's calling in, so let me end that. Okay. He's got his own channel. He's got his own flipping channel and everything. Okay, what makes more sense, doesn't it? You got your own channel. I mean, I'm just saying. Got your own channel. Ed Nevius's tips. Put your tips in there. Just saying. Okay. Virgin Galactic going up again. I was turning that into education. Oh, I see. What, you want another channel, do you, Ed? Is that what you're getting at? Is that what you're trying to say to me? Ed Nevius, for you, mate. For you, I would give you another channel. Would you like one? Would you like, because you got Ed Nevius Education, you can have Ed Nevius's Daily Tips. Would you like that? Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius wants to feel special. He'll be the first person on our channel, on our server, to have two channels. No, he doesn't. He doesn't want to. No, I don't want to. I don't want to. Well, in that case, then you stick it where you like, Ed. If you want to stick it in the breakfast bar, well, whatever. I used to check Ed's channel. I used to check Ed's channel every day. See, See, they like your stock tips. It's because it's now an education channel. They're not, Stephen's not looking in there. He wants to see stock. He wants to see Ed Nevish's tips every day. See, Ed, people want to see your tips channel. Where's your tips channel? Let me make you one and put your tips in there. Ed Nevish's tips, that's what you want to do. Stephen Lewandowski says, I see it, I look in it every day, and now he's not doing it anymore. See? Ed, give the people what they want. Don't tell them what they should have. Give them what they want. Okay, we'll post there. What in your second channel? You want education as one, tips as another. They're separate. Flipping it. I'm just going to do it. I'm not even going to ask. I'm not going to ask. I'm just going to do it. Create a channel. I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to ask. I don't know why I'm even asking. It's called. Here we go. I'm doing it live on the show. You haven't even got a choice. You haven't even got a choice. Ed Nevius tips. Ed Nevius tips. There you go. I'm doing it whether you like it or not. You haven't even got a choice. Right? Ed Nevius tips. Don't put it in your education channel. That confuses everybody. All right? So, Ed Nevius' tips. We'll drag it up to there so it's next to your other one. We'll put it there. We'll put it Sensei Crypto Tips, Ed Nevis' tips. Look at that. Look how nice I am. Can you believe that I'm doing this? This is what I do, right? Daily Ed Nevius scalp tips. There you go. Done that. Age restricted, no. Announcement channel, yeah. Hide activity. What else do I need to do? Save changes. Permissions. It's a private channel. Yeah, it's a private channel. I can see it because I'm an owner. Add members or roles. Who can see the channel? All right. Now then, could you go and test it? Could you go and test it? Whoopsie-days, I've got to save the changes. Could you go and test it? Ed Nevius. Go and see if you can comment in there. Can everyone just go and test it? Ed Nevius's tips. It's his daily scalp tips. He's really, really accurate on these. It's a members only channel. Only the members can see it. So can someone just go in there in a second and just tell me it works? If it doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't work. I want to know if it works. Just double check that everyone can go in there and make it work. All right, I'll come back and watch it in a second. 5:18. I'm going to wait until I've got everyone doing it. Stephen Lewandowski, come on, you started the whole thing. Stephen Lewandowski, it's because of you. I just did all that work there. At least you could go in there now and see if it works. And Ed, you could do it as well. I'm waiting for you. How long have I got to wait? You're going to tell me now it ain't working, right? That's what you're going to tell me. can't type. It won't let you type. Right? Why is that then? Permissions. Who can access this channel? Morning, Martin, everyone. Good morning, Rob Brennan. How are you? Good morning. How are you? Can anyone tell me if it's not working? I've just set up a new channel for Ed Nevius' tips. I want to see if it's working. Hello, good morning from Florida. Eduardo, how's everybody? We're doing well. I'm good. How's your trading of space? It's doing all right. It shows locked. I don't know why. I tried only following Ed. I don't know what you mean. What I'm asking everyone to do, it's not working for me, Martin. I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh, hang on. Hang on again. Hang on. I think I know why. Oh no. I don't know why. I've added the roles. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. I don't know why it's not working, guys. I've added all the members. Allow members to view this channel. Ed's over limit for, yeah, he's got too many channels, that's what it is. I can't work it out at the moment. What's wrong with it? I'll work on it. I don't quite know why it's not working at the minute. The overall portfolio is up. We are green all across the board on my Roth IRA now for the very first time. It's really nice to see it. It's nice to see it all green across the whole board. You might be down on a day, but if you can be up consistently across everything, it does feel good. Look, the Roth IRA, look. Up. Every single one now is green. Isn't it nice? From the point of view of an OCD, it's kind of cool. All right? Very good. I've got $1,200 as well in hand, so that's good. And we want to get up 30-40% before we can start really feeling confident with it. Anyway, that's good. Very, very nice indeed. The overall portfolio is looking good as well. So that's looking good. So all across the board now, we're at all-time highs. Very nice. That's all that I really care about. Are we consistently growing? That's all we need to worry about. Where are the opportunities now? Virgin Galactic. Mullen, still going down. Gold. Any big discounts right now? Anything worth grabbing cheaper? Apple. Brian Fonteno just subscribed to me. Thank you very much indeed. How are you? Now, they're just the public subscribers. There are more subscribers who join every day. These are just the public subscribers. Coca-Cola's doing very well. Defensive stocks coming back up again. P&G coming back up again. J&J having a nice rally. Look at that. That's nice to see. Still down on it though. J&J going up again. Yeah, just looking at that. That's really, really helping my portfolio. Palantir shooting up. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, NEE, Enphase. Bitcoin still going down. Tilray. Robinhood. Robinhood. Right. We are close now. We are up on it. We are up for the first time. Average is 877. So, I think it's 9:30. We can start selling Robinhood. It's 17% of my portfolio. It's very, it's very large. Overweighted. I've got 266 shares in my Roth. On my brokerage account, I'm up now, 2.36. That's nice, but my Roth IRA needs to be trimmed. I'm up 0.3. Let's have a quick look now. Let's have a quick look. 266 shares. So let's have a look. In my history, 80, 50, that's 130, 150, 170, 195, 200. Right, 904. 904. 200 takes me up to 904. Right, so 9:30. That's what I said yesterday. 9:30. If I sell at 9:30, I am selling my old stocks, the ones I bought first. It's going. 9:30. If I can get 9:30 out of it, then I can trade those expensive stocks for the cheaper stocks. Very nice. That's what I'd like to do. I'd like to trim that back and bring that back into balance. It's overweighted right now, 17%. So if we can get to 9:30 and we can sell 40 stocks, we can bring some money out, get it in the buying power, and that'll be very nice. And then if it drops back down, just like we're going to do with Tesla, the same sort of thing. I like it. It's great. Virgin Galactic. I've created that channel for Ed Nevius. It should be right. I don't know why it's not. So, let's just give it some time. See if it takes some time. I don't know why. I'm not that expert when it comes to Discord, but we'll give it some time. We'll see if later on today you can actually do it. If any of my members can check to see if they can get Ed Nevis's tip to work. I've just created a channel, and I want you to be able to go into Ed Nevis's tips and leave a comment. Now he's saying it closed. I don't know if it takes a little while for it to update. I'm not sure, but it should work. All right, I don't know why it's not. Okay. Ion Q doing really great, yeah. Going back up again. Virgin Galactic 519. Has it run out of steam for today? Mullen, Gold, VDC, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid. All right, I'm going to give it a break right now. How many people have we got watching us on Rumble? There's 9, so it's quietening down now. We're going to, I think, take a break. I've actually got to do a job for a friend of mine who's in his 80s, George and Elaine. Their lights are broken in their house, and I've got to fix them. Got to rewire some lights. So I need to take some time out of today and do that for them. So I've got to go and do that. I was going to make videos, but I can't. They're literally sat in the dark. They've got a couple of little small lights, you know, helping them out. But right now they need it fixed. So I've got to go and do that. So I'm going to get off now and do that. Robinhood. God, yes, if we can get 9.30 out of Robin, another 50 cents a share. I mean, it's a lot. We've only got 5 cents a share today, but if we can get that, we're going to be in a really, really good position because we can trim off the top there and put ourselves in a really nice position. But anyway, I don't have to sell. I mean, I'm up. It's good, but it's weak right now. So if I could sell those at 9.30 and then I can buy these at 8.80 again, it'd be good. Because it'll, you know, that'll be good. Anyway, P&G going back down again. Virgin Galactic just going sideways now. Has it run out of steam? Let's do day trader of the day. My Roth IRA is still green all across the board for the very first time. Looks great, that. It's nice because you look at it and you go, right, I've actually made some money overall. You know, there's not a metric that's down. And that's nice. That's nice. And when I get my dividends, of course, there's going to be some coming now in the next couple of weeks. It's just going to go up, right? Very good. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main position. I'm up again today. Up 0.36%. Make sure if you're always up to date with our videos, if you go to either YouTube or Rumble, it's the same thing. If you look here on the live button, you see how it's grey? It's behind all this grey area here. If you click on it, it turns red. That turns red, and now you're up to date. So if you're doing the competition, you can take part straight away. It's the same on Rumble. Same on Rumble. See all this space, and you can see the live button is grey. You click on it, it turns green, turns red, and brings everything up to date. Okay, so day trader of the day. Let's do it. Congratulations, Queen. This was Queen's top tip of the day. I hope some of you took that. Great tip. IonQ doing great. Up 0.36. Let's put a minute on the clock. Up 0.36. Up 0.67. Up 2.71. Oh, you're having some great days, Stephen, aren't you? Making some serious amounts of money because I know you've got a large portfolio and you're always up double numbers, 2s and 3s and 4s. Wow. Mullen still going down. Is it going down to 1 cent a share? Is it all over for Mullen? Despite the split, it just goes down. Nothing left in it anymore. It's a penny stock now. Tesla trimming off. Lucid. Hood, 883, still going up. Very late the show. How is everyone? Hey! Great to see Zach here. We were talking about you earlier, actually. We were saying about our giveaway, $100 giveaway. We're giving away $100. We've got a cash giveaway. Hope you're taking part in it, Zach. And I said if somebody doesn't want the money, we have a charity here that we support, and that's Development Alert UK. We support Zach's charity. If anybody wants to take part, who doesn't want the $100, Zach in Africa would love it. It would do so much for their village, and you could send it to Zach. So if you want to take part, please do, and donate the money to Zach if you don't want it. Up 6.41. Up 2.71. So Crag is the winner today. Wow, very, very nice indeed. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up, and here come the music. Absolutely great. Brilliant stuff. Okay. 69 days now for 1 million views. Yes, I have entered the giveaway. Fantastic. Every day we give more opportunities away to win. Make sure that you do take part. Every day it's martynlucas.com/giveaway. It's always the same page, and we add more and more giveaways all the time. On that page, we're always adding opportunities to make free money. Okay, there we go. It's free for all, free to enter. martynlucas.com/giveaway. Congratulations, Crag. Okay, it's time to rock and roll. Time to get out of here. And let's see how space. 67% of portfolio. Oh, why? That's bullish. That's high risk right there. He's a high roller. Thank you. Congratulations, Crag. Let's have a look. How many people today have taken part in the competition? We've got 5541. Let's refresh it. It's now 5541. No one's done any tickets today. Every day we add new opportunities. Every day there's new ways to claim tickets. I'm going to cancel mine later on. I was just doing a test to show you. I'll cancel those later on. Anyway, there we go. Virgin Galactic. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Let's see what we got here. Today's stars of the show. Like Kevin Graham has just liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed. Super Chat, Stephen Lewandowski, 11A Cube, and Brian. Thank you very much indeed for subscribing, following, super chatting, and all the rest of it. Excellent stuff indeed. That's it from me. I'll be back in a short while. We are one away from another target. 7,699. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year so we can do fundraising for Zach. It's going to be very exciting that day because on our account we'll have super chats go directly to a registered charity. Very, very exciting. We're looking forward to that. So we're growing all the time. Virgin Galactic, we're getting ready. But right now though, it's time to go. I'll see you back in a short while. As always, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.